Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from website.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can create this kind of professional looking LMS website, I mean learning management system website, by using WordPress. After watching this video tutorial, you can easily create any kind of professional looking LMS website like Udemy and Skillshare. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create free courses, paid courses, along with various kind of lesson like audio lesson, video lesson, text lesson, etc. Also, you can create various kind of quizzes like multiple choice, single choice, fill in the blanks, true or false type of quiz, etc. Also, I'll teach you how to create Zoom meeting, webinars and events, and how you can integrate that Zoom meeting and webinars in your website. This website supports single instructor and multi-instructor options. So that means not only you as the admin of the website or the owner of the website, you can create your own courses and sell them and earn the revenue, but also you can offer other instructor to upload their courses in your website, and by selling their courses also you can earn some revenue. That means when third party register themselves as an instructor and create their courses in your website, and when a person bought that courses, then you as an admin also you will get certain percent of commission. In this video tutorial also I will teach you how to integrate different kind of payment gateway for taking payment for the paid courses. As you can see here, I installed Stripe payment gateway and PayPal payment gateway. I'll teach you how to integrate them. And for creating this website, I'm going to use a page builder. So the person who doesn't have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can easily create this kind of website if he or she watch this video tutorial from starting to end. And also when I'm going to create this website, I will make sure this website should be responsive, fast and secure. This website should be compatible with any kind of device, like whether it is a tablet, laptop, desktop or a mobile. This website should be responsive in all devices. As you can see here, if I inspect it, at present it is the desktop preview. So if I switch back to the mobile preview, you can see everything is working perfectly and it's really looking stunning and fast. So now without wasting time, let me give you a brief demo about the website so you can easily understand the which kind of website you are going to create in this video tutorial with me. So that is my website. At the top here you can see the top session or top bar. So in the top bar you can see my contact number, my email ID, login logout option, and after that the dashboard option. Means when I click on this dashboard option, it will open the dashboard. Okay, so after that here you can see the my main menu bar or main navigation bar. So at the left you can see a beautiful logo. After that the category session, when I hover on the category session, here you can see all the category are displaying here. After that, that is my main menu bar, and that contain home, about us, course option, blog and contact us. When I hover on the course option, here you can see a beautiful mega menu. I'll teach you how to create this kind of professional looking mega menu also. After that, at the right hand side here you can see the search option and cart option, and when I hover on the cart icon, here you can see whatever the item you already added in the cart that are displaying. Okay, so next, and that is the home page that contain a beautiful banner session. This banner contains some text, find course button and a background image. And here you can see some element also animated. I'll teach you how to add this kind of animation also. So after that, here you can see some features, and when I hovering on that, here you can see some rotation effect also. Next, that is the category session. So all the course category are displaying here. Suppose I'm clicking in the business management option. So all the course belong to the business management that will open here. As you can see here, all the course belongs to the business category are displaying. So let's come back to the home page again. So after this course category session, here you can see all my important courses are displaying here. At present, only 4 courses are displaying. If you click in this browse more courses, then all the courses will be get displayed. I'll open the course later. So after that, here you can see some beautiful counter option. Next, here is the testimonial session, and that is a slider obviously. So after that, here you can see another session. At the left hand side, here you can see the heading. I mean, these are the heading session, and after that here you can see some beautiful accordion. It's really looking awesome. And here at the right hand side, here you can see some beautiful images with lot of beautiful and modern animations. After that, that is the blog session. So all the blogs are displaying here, and if I click on some blog, then it will redirect to that particular blog. After that, that is a call to action session. Here you can see my email ID and my phone number. After that is the instructor session. So here you can see all the instructors, and if I hover on the share icon, here you can see all the social media links belongs to that particular instructor are opening, and that is another call to action session. After that, here you can see all the sponsors logo. So that is the sponsor session. Okay, next here you can see the beautiful footer, and at the downside here you can see the copyright line, and here you can see the scroll to top option or scroll to top button. If I click on that, it will come back to the top section of the website. So now let's open the about us page. So that is my about us page. So at the top here you can see the header section. Okay, after that here you can see some text with beautiful images with lots of animation effect at the background. So after that here you can see some beautiful counters. Next in this session I'm trying to display it the most important features of the website. So after again the call to action session and the instructor session, and here you can see another type of testimonial session also, and that is a video pop-up button. Suppose I'm clicking on that, so the video link given to that button will display like this pop-up view. After that again the footer session is displaying here. So now let's open the course page. That is the most important page of any kind of LMS website. So at the top here you can see the header session, and after that at the right hand side here you can see the all the filters like search option, course category option, course tag option, label option, and price option. So in the price option here you can see two options, free courses and paid courses. Suppose I am clicking on the free courses, so all the free course will be get displayed like that. And if you want to clear the filter, then here you can see clear all filter option is there. You have to click on that. So all the filter will be get resetted. So next let's open the blog page. So that is my blog page. At the top here you can see the header, and after all the blogs are displaying like that, and at the right hand side here you can see the archive option, and here you can see all the blog categories. Now let's open the contact us page. So in the top of the contact us page here you can see the header, and at the right hand side here you can see the address option, email and phone number option, and at the left hand side here you can see a beautiful contact form, and in the downside here you can see the Google Maps session. So now let's come back to the course page and let me open a course. So I'm opening a paid course. So that is the paid course. Click on that. So that is my course page as you can see here. So here you can see the course title, after that the course publisher or instructor name, next course category, after the course rating is displaying here. Okay, after that here you can see the course feature image, and here you can see the course info as you can see here. If you click in the show more, all the option will be get displayed. After that here you can see the course content. As you can see here, it's a paid course, so everything is locked. You not able to see the course content until you purchase the course. Okay, after that only you can see all the contents. Next here you can see the instructor tab. So in the instructor tab here you can see two instructor, because this course is developed by two instructors. And if I click on the instructor, as you can see here, I'm clicking on the instructor. So here we can see the instructor info, and all the courses created by the instructor also showing here. Now let me come back. So after that here you can see the review tab. If there is any review, that will be get displayed here. Now here in the right hand side here you can see the course include. So here you can see the course price, instructor name, course total duration, course total lessons, how many students already taken the courses. Here also you can see that, and the difficulty level also showing here. After that view cart and wishlist option, and in the downside here you can see the social media icon. So by clicking on the social media icon, you can share this course on that following social media. Okay, suppose you want to share this course in the Facebook, so you can click on the Facebook icon, and after that you can share this course in the Facebook. So I already added this course in my cart. As you can see here, I already added it, and now let me check out it, because for seeing the content actually I have to purchase this course because it's a paid course. So now let me click in the checkout option. So that is my checkout page. So you can see here mail ID already come here, so I have to fill all the information. After that here I have to enter the address. Next I have to enter the city, state, pin code, and after that I have to give the phone number also. So here you can see all the payment information. Actually you should not have to keep this cash on delivery option because it's a online platform and you are selling online courses, so cash on delivery is not possible. But just for showing how you can easily process the order, I keep this option. And here you can see the credit/debit card option is also there, and after that here you can see PayPal also available here. So suppose I'm choosing cash on delivery, and after that you have to click in the place order. So as you can see here my order already successfully placed. Now let's come back to the admin panel because I want to show you how as a admin you can process the order. So that is my admin panel, and if I come back to the WooCommerce and order, here you can see I already received one order. Because that is a cash on delivery order, you have to process it manually. At present you can see processing, data showing processing. Okay, so let me open the order. So here you can see all the detail about the order. So from here actually I have to complete the order, and after that I have to update it. So once as a admin you approve the order, now let me come back here, let me click on the course. So as you can see the order already completed, and now start learning option is coming, and here you can see the course progress. So total 8 lesson is there, and I doesn't complete anything, so 0 out of 8 is coming and 0% completed is showing. Okay, so let me click on the start learning. So the basic information is my first topic, and that is my first lesson. Okay, so as you can see that is the content of the lesson, and after that here you can see the attached file. Okay, so that is the file, and I'll teach you how to attach the file also with the lessons. And after that here you can see the comment section. If you have any question or review about this lesson, you can write here. Suppose I write lesson is very good, and you can submit that. Okay, next here you can see mark as complete option. When you complete this lesson, you have to click on that mark as complete. So first lesson will be get completed, and it will automatically redirect me in the second lesson. So that is a video lesson. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to create the text lesson, video lesson, etc. Okay, so here you can see that is the video, and after that some text is also there. Suppose you complete this also, you can click in the mark as completed. In similar manner you have to complete all the lessons. Okay, so now one by one I have to complete all the lessons. So let me speed up the video. After that, when you complete all the lesson one after one, this quiz will come. The quiz name is PHP Fundamental. So only one attempt is available. So for starting the quiz, you have to click on the start quiz option. The question is capital of India, and that is Delhi. And after that you have to click in the submit quiz option, and here you can see the remaining time also. After submitting, it asking for the review. Let me write a good review. Also let me give a star review also, and after that click in the update review option. And if you don't want to give the review, then you can just simply click in the cancel option. So as you can see here, in this way any student can complete the courses. Now it's showing 100% completed. Okay, but you can see one thing. If I come in the review, as you can see your comment is showing here, but here if you come to the review session, here you can see 0 rating, but you already give the rating. It's not posting because admin have to approve your review. So again, let me come back to the admin panel. So that is my admin panel. From there I have to hover on the Tutor LMS, and from here you have to click in this reports option. In the reports option, here you can see the reviews. Click on the review option, and here you can see unpublished. So as a admin you have to publish it. So as you can see it's updated. So now let's come back here, and here now if I refresh the page, here you can see one rating is appearing. Okay, if I come back to the review session, here also you can see it already published. Hope you understand the concept. Now let's again come back to the course page, because I just tell you how to purchase a course and complete the course. Okay, now in case of free courses, as you can see here is some free courses also. So what you have to do, you have to log in first of all, and after that you have to just simply open the course. Here you can see it's a free course, so directly you can enroll it. Before, the enroll option was not appear. If it's a paid course, you have to buy the course, then only enroll option will appear. But it's a free course, so it's automatically appeared here. You have to just simply click on the enroll now option to start the course. Remaining process is exactly same. You have to just click in the start learning, then all the course content will be open, all the course lesson will be open one after one, and after that you have to complete the course. Hope you really liking this video till now. If you have any kind of question, always you can ask me in the comment section. So now without wasting time, let's start to build the website. Now for creating this website, actually here I'm not going to use any real domain or hosting account. I'm going to use local server. And for local server, I'm using XAMPP. For downloading and installing the XAMPP, you have to open a new tab in your browser and just type XAMPP. Next, you have to click on the first link, and from there you have to click in the download option. Now if you're a Windows user, then you have to download this. If you're a Linux user, then you have to download and install this one. And if you're a Mac user, then you have to download and install this one. Okay, just you have to click on the download option and downloading will be started. I already installed and downloaded XAMPP. After downloading and install XAMPP, you have to search for the XAMPP control panel. I mean this one. So when you open that, it will look like that. From there, you have to turn on MySQL, and after that Apache. Once they get ready, this both will be green in color. Okay. Next, just minimize that. After that, I'm going to create this website in WordPress. So I need the WordPress also. For that, you have to type wordpress.org. This website will open. From there, you have to click in the get WordPress option. One file will be get downloaded. I already downloaded that, so I'm not going to do it again. Next step, you have to open another tab and you have to type localhost. Next, you have to click in the PHP My Admin. So that is PHP My Admin panel. From there, I have to create the database. For creating a new database, you have to click in the new option, and here actually you have to enter the database name. I am giving the database name as edu1. You can give anything, but that is case sensitive, so keep in mind. Next, I have to click in the create option. So you can see here my new database already created. Next, you have to open the file explorer. So you have to open another file explorer. So let me open that. So I install my XAMPP in my E drive. So I'm opening E drive. By default, the XAMPP will be installed in C drive. Okay. So after opening this E drive, here you can see the XAMPP folder. Open that. And from here you have to open this htdoc. Now in another file explorer, as you can see, I already download WordPress. So let me open that. So that is my WordPress zip file. Next, here you have to just drag and drop this WordPress inside the htdoc. It will take some time, so please wait for that. So as you can see, it already starting copying. So wait for that to complete the copying. So as you can see, this WordPress already copied here. So next, I have to rename this folder. So for that, right click and click in the show more option, and from there click in the rename option. Else you can do another thing also. Just select that, and for Windows user just click F2. Next, I have to rename that. I am giving the folder name as edu1. You can give anything, okay, that's not matter. After that, what you have to do, let me close this. So next, open another tab, and here you have to type localhost / that folder name means edu1. Next, click in the enter. It will take some time to load the website, so don't worry about that. So after that, this window will come. From there, you have to choose the language. I am choosing English, United States. Next, I have to click in the continue option. After that, I have to click in the let's go. The database name. Database name, hope you remember, you already created the database, that is edu1. So here I have to enter the database name, and that is case sensitive. After that, username. Username will be root, and that will be in lowercase. Password not required. Database host, localhost. Table prefix, by default it will be wp underscore. If you want to change, you can do it, totally up to you. Next, I have to click in the submit and run the installation. Next, I have to give the site title. I am giving the site title also edu1. You can give anything. The username, that's important, I'm giving admin. Password also I'm keeping admin. You can give your own username and password, and when you entering the password or when you creating the password, make sure that should be a strong user ID and password. Here actually I'm creating this website for practice purpose, so I'm just keeping admin and confirm password, and after that email ID. That should be your official email ID. Don't use any not working email ID. Email ID whatever you entering, that will be your admin email ID. Okay. Next, I have to click in the install WordPress. This window will come. From there, I have to click in the login option. Now I have to enter password and ID. So next, you have to click in the login option. So that is my WordPress dashboard. Next, I have to install the theme, because for creating any website, theme installation is important thing. And here actually I am going to use a paid theme, that is EduBlink. It is very popular theme for LMS purpose. As you can see here in the ThemeFrost website, in weekly best selling LMS theme, the EduBlink come in second position. It's very popular and very new theme, and it has almost all the features what a professional LMS theme should have. And here in this tutorial, I am going to teach you each and every feature of this EduBlink theme. Next, I have to click in this. I have to purchase the theme. I already purchased the theme, so let me install that in my website. And don't worry, for your practice purpose, I already give you this theme copy. You can practice them by installing that also. Okay. You have to just pause the video and go to the video description. So from there, one download link will be there. You can easily download and install in your website. So that is the theme file. So next, what I have to do, I have to extract it. So let me extract it here. So actually that is the theme, this one. Okay. So I have to install this. So here you have to open this dashboard, and in your dashboard, hover on the appearance, and you have to click in the theme option. Next, you have to click in this add theme option, and here you have to click in this upload theme option. Now this file explorer, just drag and drop it here. You can browse this on this activate. So as you can see here, theme already installed successfully. It asking to install some recommended plugin. Let me do that. So for that, you have to click in begin installing plugin. I have to select everything and after that you have to click in the install option in this drop down, and after that I have to click in the apply option. It will take some time to download and install all the plugins, so please wait for that. And while installing the plugin, please don't reload the website. It will take some time. One by one all the plugin getting installed. So as you can see here, all the plugin already successfully installed. Click in this return to required plugin installer. Now I have to activate the plugins. So for that again I have to click in this, and in this drop down I have to click activate and apply. Next I have to click in this plugins option because I have to make sure all the plugin get successfully installed. Okay, this page is coming. Let me close this one. Again let me click in the plugins option. Yes, all the required plugin already installed. So now I have to install the Tutor LMS plugin, because for LMS plugin here I am going to use Tutor LMS only. So for adding new plugin you have to click in this add plugin option, and here in the search option I have to search for the tutor. So here you can see the Tutor LMS, this one. Click in the install now option. After successfully install I have to activate the plugin also, so I have to click in the activate option. This window will come. Let me click in the let's start. So two options is coming, individual and marketplace. In this website actually I want to create the marketplace website, because not only you as an admin you can create your courses and sell that, but also third party also can come to your website, register themselves as an instructor and sell their courses. I want that. If you planning to create a website for your individual, means you only can create and sell the courses, then you have to choose individual. But here I am choosing marketplace, and after that I have to click in the next option. Question and answer, per page total 12 course, and per row 3 courses is enough. Let me click in the next option. Revenue sharing, yes, enable that option. And sharing percentage, so instructor will get 80% of the course rate and you as an admin you will get 20%. If you want to toggle you can do that, it's totally up to you. Okay, and payment withdrawal method, suppose I'm choosing bank and PayPal, and let me click in the next. And next currency symbol I want in USD only, because that is a global currency. If you want to change you can do it. Even if you want to create the website in INR you can do that also, but here I'm choosing USD only. And after that let me click in the finish setup. So this page will come. So next I have to set up the WooCommerce, and before that let me install some more plugin, because I want to install the payment gateway plugin for the WooCommerce also. So for adding new plugin, hover on the plugin, and after that I have to click in the add plugin option. Let me search for the PayPal. So here I need this one, payments plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. Click in the install now. After installing I have to activate that also. Click in the activate option. So after that again I need another plugin for the Stripe. So you can click in the add plugin option, and here I have to search for the Stripe, and here I need this one, payments plugin for Stripe WooCommerce. Click in the install now option. So after that I have to click in the activate option for activating the plugin. After that in the top here you can see one pop-up is coming. So I have to enable the membership option. So just click in the enable. Okay, it's done. So I already successfully installed all the required plugins. So now let me set up the Tutor LMS. So for that I have to hover on the Tutor LMS, and after that I have to click in the settings option. So in the general dashboard page, dashboard already selected. If you want to select the terms and condition page and privacy page, then you have to select that also. By default actually there is no terms and condition and privacy page. So for that what you have to do, you have to come back to the dashboard. So let me open the dashboard in a new page, and here I have to create 2 pages. So for that I have to click in the pages, and after that I have to click in the add new option. So the first page name will be terms and condition. After writing the page name I have to click in the publish option. I need another page, again let me click in the add page option, and the second page will be this one, privacy policy. I think privacy policy is also not there. Yes, it's not there. So let me click here, and the page name I'm giving privacy policy. Click in the publish option. So let's do one thing. I have to refresh the page because just now I create the pages. So let me refresh this page once, and after that terms and condition page should be there. As you can see here, terms and condition page, and privacy policy, that also should be here. So here you can see the privacy policy. Enable marketplace, yes, I want to enable the marketplace. So instructor and admin both can create their courses. Okay, so as you can see here, the enable marketplace meaning allow multiple instructor to sell their courses. Okay, I enabled it. Next, become an instructor button. Yes, if some student log in and if they want to become an instructor, then in their dashboard become an instructor button will be get displayed. Yes, it's needed. Allow instructor to publish their courses, no, because I want whenever instructor creates some courses, you as a admin, you have to check the courses, is it proper or not, is it fulfill all the terms and condition of your website or not. If you satisfy, then only you as a admin you can publish the course. Okay, so when instructor create the course, that will be not get updated in the website directly. Admin have to manually publish the course after inspecting the course. Okay, so I'm not enabling this one. Allow instructor to trust the course, no, I don't want that also, because if I enable that, then instructor can delete any course what they create previously. They should need permission for deleting the course also. So please don't enable this one also. Let me click in the save changes. After that, come back to the course option, scroll down. After the course visibility, students must be logged in to view the course. I think it's not necessary. If you enable this one, then when a student or some people logged in, then only they can watch the courses. Okay, if you enable this one, but I want every time anyone can watch the course list. Okay, course content access, allow instructor and admin to view the course content without enrolling. Yes, it should get enabled. Content summary, yes, it should be enabled. Spotlight mode, not required. Auto complete course on all lesson completion, yes, I need this. After that, course complete process, so flexible and strict. Let me explain this. Suppose a student want to watch the third lesson after completing first lesson. So if you make it flexible, they can do that. But if you make it strict, then after completing the first lesson, they must have to complete the second lesson. Then only they can complete the third lesson. If you want like that, then you have to make it strict, else flexible. After the course retake, I want that. After that, publish course review on admin app. Yes, it's required, because as an admin you can approve the review, then only it will get displayed for everyone. WP lesson, well, yes. Automatically load next course content, yes, I need that also. Enable lesson comment. If a student want to comment in a lesson, then they can do that. I think it's a good option. Next, quiz, auto submit, yes. After that, correct answer display time, yes, I think 2 is enough. Remaining here, everything keep as it is. Next, scroll down. So preferred video source, I think for that HTML5, YouTube, that will be enough. I'll teach you how you can publish your video privately and link that video from YouTube to your course. I'll teach that. And HTML5 video means if you directly host the video in your server, suppose you have only single videos, a small duration video, then you can do that. Okay, remaining not required. Tutor player for YouTube, yes, let me click in the save option. Next, the monetization option. So for monetization, I want WooCommerce, automatically complete WooCommerce order, yes. Auto redirect to course, yes. And after that, revenue sharing, yes, I need that. So the instructor will get 90% and the admin will take 10%. If you want to change, you can do that. Deduce free, not required. So minimum withdrawal amount, a instructor should have minimum $80 for submitting the withdrawal request, and minimum days before balance is available. So I think 1 day or 2 days will be enough. Now click in the save changes. So the next option is design. Click on the design. So in a single row, how many columns should be there? So 3 is good, I think. And course per page 12. Course filter, yes, I want that. Course filter mean, hope you remember, in the course page, these all the filters coming from here only. As you can see, keyword research, category, tag, difficulty level, price type, all these filters actually. Okay, so I want that. Course sorting, yes, I want that also. These are the sorting option actually. Okay, I want that. Next, from here you can choose the instructor layout. Okay, anything you can choose. Similarly, instructor public profile layout, you can choose anything. Okay, so next I have to click in the save changes, and page feature, whatever you want to enable or disable, you can do that from here. Okay, next, in advanced I think everything is okay, and here I have to make a single changes only. Course archive page, actually by default page will not created here. So what you have to do, so you have to create a new page, and the page name should be course. After that I have to click in the publish option. Now after publishing, let me come back here. I have to refresh the page once. Now from here, so here you can see the course page, click on that. After that, instructor registration, student registration, yeah, everything perfect, no need to change anything. Here also everything okay. Profile completion, yes. After enable tutor login, yes. Remain everything I am keeping as it is. So now I have to set up the WooCommerce plugin also. So for that, here you can see the WooCommerce, hover on that, and after that I have to click in the settings option. So that is the WooCommerce settings. So in the general, first of all I have to enter the address. City I am choosing Hyderabad. Country/state, so India does Telangana. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. If you want to change the currency, you can do it from here, but I'm keeping it in USD only. If you want to change from here, you can choose. Okay, so I have to click in the save changes. So next I have to click in the payments option. So as you can see here, lot of payment option is available here because I already installed the payment gateway plugins. That is the reason all the option is coming like that. So first of all, let me set up the PayPal payment gateway. This one I have to click in the enable option. You can scroll down, and after that I have to click in the manage option. Okay, so from here make sure enable should be checked, and after that come back to the API settings, and here connect to PayPal, click on that. So it will asking the login credential and you have to provide that. So this page will appear. Let me close it. Okay, I have to enter the email ID. So after entering email ID and country, I have to click in the next. So now I have to enter the password, and after that I have to click in the login option. So now it asking where to send the verification code. Suppose I am choosing WhatsApp. Click in the next. Let me enter the code. After that I have to click in the submit option. It will automatically connect with my PayPal account. You do not have to do anything. Everything will be going to set automatically. So as you can see, my setup already completed and the data is showing connected. Okay, so now again let me click in the payments option. So after that I have to enable the Stripe option also. So here you can see the credit card Stripe payment plugin. Click in the manage option. So the title I am giving credit/debit card. In description also I am writing the same, means credit/debit card. Remaining here everything I am keeping as it is. If you want to enable, you can always do that, and if you want to enable more card option, you can do it from here. Card from, if you want to choose the modern look, then you can choose this one, Stripe inline form. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Click on the save changes. After that I have to click in the API settings. Now open a new tab and here search for the Stripe, and that is the Stripe. Click on that, and after that I have to click in the enter user ID and password, and after that you have to click in the sign in option. So it send the verification code. Let me enter that. So it will automatically verify the code. So now here I have to search for the API. Click in this API keys option. So here you can see publishable key and secret key. So let me copy them. So it's copied. Come back here. So here you can see the publishable key, and after that here you can see, let me click on that. Come back here, and that is the secret key. Scroll down, click in the save changes. So now let me check the connection test. Okay, connection test successful with the Stripe. So next I have to create the courses. Before creating the courses, I have to create the course category. So for that I have to hover on the Tutor LMS, and after that here you can see the categories. Let me click on that. So next here I have to mention the category name, and after that I have to click in the add new category. Let me add all the category one after one. So as you can see, I already added all the course category. Next, I have to click in the courses option. So for creating the course, I have to click on the create course option. Now here first of all I am telling you how to create free courses, and after that I will teach you how to create paid courses. So for creating the course, first of all I have to enter the course title. If I open a dummy course, as you can see here, that is the course title. Okay, so let me copy it here and let me paste it here. After that, course description. So again let me open the dummy course. So as you can see here, that is the course description. Okay, I mean from starting to this point, that is the course description. Here you can write simple text like that. Else if you want to write the heading, you can do that also. As you can see here, there is a heading. So you can write here simple text, and after that you can select it, and from here, from this drop down, you can create heading also. So hope you understand. And after that, if you again want to write this list item, then you can write all the points in a single line, and after that you can select them, and after that you can click in this bulleted list. Okay, and for the remaining also you can follow the same thing. Even if you want to integrate any video, you can do that also. Suppose that is my YouTube video, and from here you can click in the share option, and after that here you can see embed option. Click on that, and after that you have to copy that. Okay, next you come back here, and here you have to come to code option, not in the visual option, in code option, and wherever you want, just paste that code here. Now if you come to the visual option, let me expand it, you can see this video already embedded here. So in this way, in the description you can embed a video also. So like that you can write the course description. Next, scroll down. So in the general, you have to choose the difficulty level. By default, all level, beginner, intermediate and expert level is there. You can choose according to your requirement. After that, public course, I highly recommend it, don't enable that, because if you enable that, then any visitor or any student without enrolling or without registration, they can view all the course content. So don't enable that. After that, Q&A, if you want to enable the Q&A session in this course, then you can enable that. It's totally up to you. After that, this content drip is a pro features. I will talk about this in some other video. After that, enrollment means maximum how many students can enroll the courses. 0 indicate unlimited number of the student can enroll the course, and if you make it 200, then maximum 200 people will enroll the course, like that. So better I am keeping it in 0 only. Next, course feature image. Let me come back to the course page in my dummy website. So here you can see a lot of images top of the course. These are all the feature image. Okay, so let me come back here, and you have to click in the upload thumbnail, and after that, for the images, actually if you have your own image, always you can upload that. And for practice purpose, actually just pause the video and go to the video description. There I provide image download link. So whatever the images I used for creating this website, I already upload there. So with the theme file, you will get this image folder also. Just open that and select all the images and just drag and drop it here, like that. So it will take some time, around 3 to 4 minutes to upload all the images. So all the images already uploaded. So let me close this, and from here I am choosing this image, and after choosing the image, you have to click in the select option. So in this way you can add the feature image. After that, intro video. About this I'll talk after some time. Next, pricing model. I'm keeping this course as free course only. So next, the category. You can choose single category, else you can choose multiple category also. If you want to add a new category, that also you can do from here. You have to click in this add option, and after that here you have to add the category name. Suppose I'm writing travel, and after that you have to click in the OK option. After that, if you want to add some tag, always you can do that. Suppose I am giving the tag name as travel, and after that you have to click in the add travel option. So as you can see, on tag already added here. Next, author. By default only single author is available here. If you have multiple author, you can always choose from here. After that, here you can see the next option. Just click on the next. So that is the most important part of any kind of course building. So first of all, I have to add a topic. Topic means if you scroll down here, you can see the basic information. That is the main topic actually. So here I have to first of all click in the add topic, and here I have to enter the topic name. Next, you have to click in the OK option. So once the topic added, after that I have to add lessons. For adding new lesson, you have to click in this plus option. Okay. So first of all, I have to give the lesson name. As you can see here, that is the lesson name. Okay. So here I have to mention that. Next, whatever the content of the lesson, you have to mention it here. You can always add a feature image here if you want, and you can add the video also. This how to add video I'll talk after some time when I am going to teach about how to create video lesson. Okay, so let me add a feature image for that, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, and after that I have to click in the select option. Next, you have to click in the save option to save the lesson. If you want to add another lesson, always you can do that. So again, you have to click in this plus option. So again, I have to enter the lesson name. After that, lesson content. Again, you have to click in the save option. So let me add another lesson also. So in similar manner, let me add the lesson name. After that, lesson content. Now here you can see exercise file. If you want to add some PDF file or something attachment with this lesson, you can do that. So for that, you have to click in that upload attachment. Now suppose that is my attachment file. So just drag and drop it here. So it's already uploaded. So next you have to click in the select option. So in this way you can attach single or multiple PDFs or files. Okay. Lesson preview, that is a pro function. So I'll discuss in some other video. So next you have to click in the save option. So now let me add a new topic. So for adding a new topic, again you have to click in this add topic option, and after that I have to enter the topic name. Click OK, and let me add a new lesson. The lesson name I am giving this, and let me create a video lesson now. So for the video lesson, if you want to write some content, always you can do that. So now let me teach you how to add a video in your lesson in very simple manner, mean locally hosted video. So for that you have to click in the upload video option. You can follow this process if you have a single video or small length video, but if you have a longer length video, then don't follow this. Okay, because it will occupy all your server space. Okay, so after that you have to click in the select file option, else you can open the file explorer, and whatever the video you have, just drag and drop it here like that. So video already uploaded. So after that you can click in the select option. So in this way you can do that, and if you want, you can always mention the video playback time here. It's optional. So next you have to click in the save option. So in this way you can create a video lesson. Now let me add another lesson. So for that again you have to click in this plus option for adding the new lesson. Next, that is the lesson name. If you want to write something here, always you can do that. Now let me teach you how to host a video in YouTube and add that video with your lesson. So for that, open the Google, and after that you have to open the YouTube. After that you have to sign in. Click in the sign in option. So after that you have to create a channel. Okay, so click in the create option. So after that you have to click in this, and from here you have to come to the YouTube studio. click in the continue, click in this, click upload video. Now whatever the video you have, just drag and drop it here like that. Next you have to give the video title and wait for the video get uploaded. As you can see here, uploading happening. Okay, so please wait for the entire video get uploaded. So as you can see, upload completed and it's now in process. It will take some time to upload the video. So once you can see this, check complete, no issues found, just click in the next option and from here check this one. Again click the next option, again click the next option. Now from here I have to select unlisted option and after that you have to click in the save option. After that you can directly copy the video link here, and if you lost the video then you have to come back to the content, click on that, and from here also you can copy the link. Okay, next you have to come back here and from here you have to choose add from URL, and here you have to paste that link, and after that you have to click on the OK option. If you want to mention the video playback timing, you can mention it, it's totally a optional option. After that you have to click in the save option. So hope you understand how to create the video lesson from locally hosted video or from YouTube. So I already tell you how to create text lesson, video lesson and all the thing. Okay, so now let's teach you how to create the quiz. So for adding a quiz you have to click in this plus option for the quiz. Okay, so after that here I have to enter the name of the quiz. If you want to add summary, always you can do that. So next I have to add the question. For adding question, here you can see the plus option. In the free version, true and false, multiple choice, open-ended essay and fill in the blanks option is available, and remaining option is available in the pro version. I think it's 4 version is enough to create any kind of quizzes. So first of all, let me teach you how to create true or false quiz. So here I am entering Delhi is the capital of India. So it is true or false? It is true, so I am choosing true. If that is false, then you have to choose false, like that. Okay, next you have to click in the OK option. Let me add one multiple choice question. So here suppose I am writing what is the capital of India. After that I have to click in the OK option. The first option I am writing Kolkata, click in the OK. The second option I am writing Hyderabad, click OK. Another option I am taking Delhi, click OK. And the last option I am adding as Bangalore and click OK. Now that is a multiple choice question, and in that actually the correct answer is Delhi. If the situation is like that, multiple correct answer is available here, then you have to choose this multiple correct answer. Answer required, yes. And if you want to give the point, then you can always do that. But here everything I am keeping as it is, and how much point you want to give for this quiz you can mention it here. Okay, so next again click in the plus option, and here I am choosing this option, fill in the blanks. The question I am writing the same, what is the capital of India. Now just copy the question and paste it here. Now where I have to enter the dash, here you can see dash is there, so in bracket I have to mention that. Let me give a space, and the answer will be Delhi. Okay, I think I forgot to close the bracket. Okay, now it's okay. So after that you have to click in the OK option. Answer required, and if you want to give the point you can do that. display point, yes. So in this way you can create the quiz. So after that you have to click in the next option. In the basic setting, how much time you want to give for completing the quiz. Suppose I'm giving the 5 minutes. How many retry a student can attempt? Suppose I'm giving 5, pass grade, maximum question allowed to answer. Next, question layout. So single choice, question pagination, you can choose according like that. I think single choice will be the best option. And the question order you can choose from here. I'm keeping random only. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. So after that I have to click in the save option. So in this way you can create a quiz. The interactive quiz and assignment, these all the pro option I can discuss in other videos, okay? So after that you have to click in the next option. So now here you can see overview, what I will learn. If you come to the demo course, here you can see what you will learn. So these are the topics, and each line here actually indicate one topic. As you can see here, so that will be the first topic. So here I have to mention that in a single line. Now I have to come back to the next line for entering the second topic. Suppose that is my second topic. So here I have to mention it in second line. And that is my third option. So here actually I have to come back to the next line, and here I have to mention that. Next, targeted audience. Let me mention 2 points here. Total course duration. Suppose I am giving 5 hours, and that duration is highlighting here. You can see the 15 hours. So that will highlight there. After that, material include. Let me give couple of points here. After that, requirements. Let me mention some point here also. So after that, let me click in the publish option. So in this way you can create a free course. After completing the course, you can click in this exit option. So as you can see here, one course already created here. So now let me view the course. So let me open it in a new tab. So that is the course. Yes, everything is looking perfect. And all the course content also displaying perfectly, as you can see here. So anyone can just simply click on the start learning and they can access the course. Let me click in the start learning option. So as you can see, everything is coming perfectly. All the lessons is loading perfectly. Let me check the video lessons also. So in the second topic, that is the locally hosted video lesson. Here it's coming perfectly. And yes, it's playing also in smooth manner. Let me check the YouTube hosted video lesson. Let me check the YouTube hosted video topic. So here also I can see it's coming perfectly. Yes, everything is perfect. So now let me close this. Now let's come back to the dashboard. So hope you understand how to create a free course. So now let me teach you how to create the paid course. The process is quite similar. Now let me convert this free course only to a paid course. So for that, first important thing, open the course. At the same time, open the dashboard in a new tab. And here you can see the product tab. Click on the product tab. Now from here I have to click in the add new product. Now from here just copy the course title. Now I have to create a product with the course name. You can give any name, but I recommend give the product name and the course name same. Okay. So next, that is a virtual product. Next, here I have to mention this for tutor. Now here I have to enter the rate. A regular rate something $50, and if any sale is going on, you can enter the discounted rate here also, like $45. And after that you have to just click in the publish option. So now I have to come back to the course builder page, and I have to refresh the page once because I just now created the product. So next, what you can do here, you can make it paid. Okay, and from this drop down you can choose the product, and after that simply you have to update. Once updated, just click in the exit option. So now you can see it's become a paid course. So hope you understand how to create free courses and paid courses. So now let me teach you how to set up Zoom meeting and webinars. So for that, here you can see the Zoom events. Click in the settings. To set up this plugin, I need two apps actually. Zoom What app and after that Zoom SDK app. So for helping out, open the documentation in a new tab. Now let me open a new tab and type marketplace.zoom.us. After that, I have to sign in. So after sign in, it asking the OTP. Let me enter the OTP first of all. Let me click in the verify. After that, I have to click in this, and here I have to click in the build app. After that, it asking which type of app you want to build. So I am choosing this What app, and after that, let me click in the create option. After that, it asking the app name. Now let me give the app name like Tutor LMS. After that, let me click in the create option. Now from here, let me copy the account ID. Come back here. So here is the account ID. Paste it here. Next, client ID. Copy it. Come back here. Or client ID. And after that, secret key. Copy that. Come back here and paste it here. After that, let me click in the save option. Next, again come back here. After that, click in the continue option, and here you can add the short description, the company name. Company name I am giving WebSEO Tips. After that, developer contact information, I have to give the name. Next, email ID. After that, I have to click in the continue option. Token, it's not required. Click in the continue. So now I have to add the scopes. Now for adding scope, open the documentation. So here, if you come back here, you can see the documentation. Let me open that. So this page you will open. Now just scroll down. Here you can see all the scope, what required. As you can see here, required scope. So I have to add them one after one. The best way to add the scope is after hashtag some text is there na, just copy that and come back here, click in the add scope, and you have to paste it here. So that is the scope. You have to check that, and after that you have to click in the done option. Similarly, like that you have to copy, come back here, just click in the add scope again and paste it. Check that, click in the done option. So hope you understand the concept. Copy, come back here, add scope, paste it here, check that, done. So in this way, let me add all the scope. So after adding all of them, again scroll down, and here you can see the recording. For them also the process is same. Again you have to just copy, come back here, click in the add scope, and after that you have to click in the done option. So now let me add all the scope for the recording also, like that. So after adding all the scope for the recording, you have to add this one also. So just copy, come back here, add scope, check that, done. And after that, if you scroll down, so here you can see some more scope is required also, like for the reports, for the user. So let me add them also. The process is exactly same. Come back here, add scope, select all, and done. So let me add all of them. Even in similar manner, you have to add all the scope for the webinars also. So let me add all of them also. So I add all the scope, and once done you have to click in the done option. After that again I have to click in the continue option. Now you can click in the activate your app, and now your app is activated. So now the setup of the OAuth app is already completed. I mean, for this app everything is ready. So next I have to create the credential for the SDK app. So for that again I have to come back to the app marketplace and hover on the developer option and click in the build app. Now select the general app. After that I have to click on the create option. So this page will open. So from here I have to choose admin managed. I have to click in the save option. Next I have to copy the client ID. Come back here. So that is the client ID. I have to paste it here. And for the client secret, copy this, come back here, and I have to paste it here. Next I have to click in the save option. Next actually I am creating the website in localhost. So this option will be not work for me, but what you have to do next, you have to copy your website URL. Just scroll down and here you can see the OAuth redirect URL. You have to paste here, and similarly you have to paste here also. Okay. After that you have to click in the continue. After that again you have to click in the continue. Here also click on the continue. Now here you have to enable this thing, meeting SDK. As you can see here, meeting SDK. So I have to enable that. After that just scroll down and click in the continue. Here also click in the continue, add scope. So here I have to add a scope. Let me come back to the documentation. So in the setup SDK app credential, if you scroll down, so it's telling to click in the add scope. Let me click on that. And after that I have to add this one. So come back here. Now just click on the add scope and paste it. So enable this one and click in the done option. So it's done here. Click in the continue. Again come back here and just click in the save option. So as you can see here, under the Zoom event, lot of extra options get added here. Earlier there was only two options, all events and setting. So lot of extra options already get added. So now let me teach you how to create the Zoom meeting or Zoom webinars. So for that, first of all I have to add a new event. As you can see here, add new event, click on that. So let me check how my Zoom meeting page should be look like. So as you can see, it will look like that. So that is the title. So here I have to enter the title. Next, that is the description. So here I have to write the description. So in the Zoom details, in the meeting host, you can see my name and my email ID already coming because I already perfectly integrate all the settings. Okay. Next, meeting type. It is a Zoom meeting or Zoom webinar. You have to select that. Suppose I'm selecting Zoom meeting. Next, starting date and time. Suppose I want this Zoom meeting on 26th of the November, and you can choose the time also. After that, time zone. Suppose from here I am choosing Indian time zone. So that is the Indian time zone. After that, meeting duration. Suppose the meeting will run almost 1 hour, 15 minutes, something like that. If password is needed, then you can enter the password here also. After that, just scroll down. So here the auto recording. You want to record it or not, you can select that. And if you want to record it, you want to record it in Zoom Cloud or or on your local server or website, you can choose that. Remaining, I am keeping everything as it is. So after that, here the category. If you want to add some category, always you can do that. Suppose I am giving the category name as WordPress development meeting. Next you have to click in the add category option, and if you want to set any feature image you can do that. Click on that, and from the media library, suppose I am choosing this image, and after that let me click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So now let me check the preview. So as you can see, it's coming like that. Everything is coming perfectly. Now let's start the meeting. So I have to click in this start meeting option. So I have to open the link now. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. Let me click in the start option for starting the meeting. So as you can see, one participant already added. If other also added in the meeting, then you can see them also. So as you can see, I already enabled the recording meeting. So it's already start the recording also. Now let me close this. Click in the end meeting for all. Else you can click in the leave meeting also if you want to leave the meeting. So next let me close this also, and you can see recording already come here. So now let me start to design the website. So for that, first of all, I have to create the home page. So for creating the home page, you have to first of all come to the page, and after that here you can see the add page option. Click on that. The page title I am giving as home, and after that scroll down. The settings, everything I am keeping as it is, and only for the home page actually I have to disable this breadcrumb. So just click on that, and after that you have to click in the disable option. Scroll up, and after that I have to click in the publish option, and once it published I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So as you can see, my Elementor page builder interface is loading now. So that is my Elementor page builder interface. Now at the same time, open dashboard in another page, and here hover on the theme, and after that click on the theme option. Now from here, smooth scrolling, enable that, and after that this color you have to set before starting the website, and you have to set your font family also. So I am keeping this setting. After that I have to click in the save changes. Now let's come back here. So next I have to design this banner session. So here I am clicking in this plus option, and in the flex box I am taking this one, single row and 2 column. After that come back to the style option. So here I am choosing gradient color. The first color I am taking this one, and the second color I am taking this one. Next come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. I am taking padding top around 100. So next I have to click in this plus option, and let me search for the heading. So here you can see the heading. Just drag and drop it here like that, and my heading will be this one. Okay, and here you can see this 2500 plus, that is in a red color. Okay, and this color is the secondary color. So my heading will be this one. This 2500 plus I kept inside a span tag, and the class is EduBlink color secondary, because as you can see that is my secondary color. Okay, next I have to click in the style option. First of all, here you can see the text color. Click on that, and let me make it black color. After that click in the typography. Let me increase the line height little bit, and do another thing in content. Let's make it H1. Okay, so I think I have to increase the line height more. Yeah, that's looking perfect. So after that again I have to click in this plus option, because I need this text box also. So here you can see the text editor. Just drag and drop it downside like that, and the content will be this. After that come back to the style option. Font size, let's take 20. Line height, I think that will be perfect. Next I need a button also, and the button text will be find courses. So click in this, and here search for the button. So here you can see the button, just drag and drop it inside like that. So here I have to write find courses, and after creating the course page, here you have to enter the link. Next I have to add some animation also. Click in this and let's search for the animation. So here you can see the animation, just drag and drop it downside like that. Now click in the choose image option, and from the media library I am choosing this image and click select. So after that, what I have to do, I have to come back to the advanced option. As you can see here, this animation position is just backside of the text. Okay, so here in the advanced option, the position I have to make it absolute. So as you can see, now it's gone the backside. Okay, but it's coming on the text. I want it should appear behind the text. So here you can see Z index, I have to make it 0. And if you want to reposition, just drag and drop it here like that. And after that, here you can see I need another animation also, I mean this one. Okay, so come back here, again click in the plus option and search for the animation. So just drag and drop it here like that. And now from the media library I am choosing this image, click in the select option. So the process is quite same. Come to advanced option, and the position I have to make it absolute. Now just reposition it like that, and do one thing, click in this button, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Here bottom padding, let's take around 70 pixel. So it is working properly. Next, click in the plus option here and drag and drop the image here. Click in this, and from the media library I am choosing this image. Click in the select option, and here come back to the advanced option. Now I think I give some more padding in the bottom side. I think 70 is more. Let's make it 40. And another thing, here you can see in between this session and this image there is a gap in the downside. So come back to the advanced option of the image and unlock the padding and margin also. Even for this one also, I mean for the outer session, unlock the margin. Similarly for this container also, come back to the advanced option and unlock the padding. So next, come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. But I want this text block should be appear in the top and the image in the bottom side. So click in this, and from here come back to the layout option and column vertical. I have to choose this option. Next I have to select this container, and here I have to make it %, and let's make it 100. Similarly for this container also, come back to the layout, width, make it percentage and 100%. After that, here I have to change the orientation, make it center aligned. Similarly for this one also, I have to make it center aligned. For the button also, come back to the content, and here the alignment, make it center aligned, and choose the animation and just disable it. If you come back to the content of the animation, here you can see the hide option is displaying here, just make it hide. And for this animation also, just come back to the content, and here I have to make it hide. Okay, after that select this and come back to the advanced option and unlock the padding. So padding top, let's take around 50, and right and left side around 50 pixel and 50 pixel. Okay, it's look nice. After that, come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, click in this, unlock the padding top, I am taking 10, or maybe 20. Remaining 0 is perfect. Click in this, the heading option, and here decrease the font size and the line height also I have to decrease. Similarly for this also, in typography, let's make it 17 pixel. Yes, it's perfect now. So after that, click in the publish option and come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I need this session. So in a single row, there will be total 4 columns, and in between each and every column, I have to take one icon or image box. Click in the plus option, and here let me take grid. I'm clicking this one, and here I need total 4 column and single row. Okay, click in this, come back to the advanced option, padding, top around 70, bottom around 70. Next, come back to the style option, background, take the gradient, and the first color I am taking this, and the second color I am taking this one. Next, click in this plus option here. Let me search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon / image box. Just drag and drop it here like that, and from here I have to choose icon. Click in this, come back to the EduBlink icon. Suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert, and in title I am writing this one, 3020 bear me next line, and after that online courses. I don't need the details. Now come back to the style option, enable this one. Here box size I am taking 80, icon line height I am taking around 95, icon size I am taking around 32. The color of the icon I am taking pure white color, and the background color I am taking this one. Next, border radius I am taking 50% from all side. I have to make it percent. Okay, and now I have to write 50. Next, scroll down. Here you can see the content, vertical alignment, let's make it middle, margin left I am taking 20, and here color I am choosing white color. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now what I have to do, I have to right click, copy. Now here paste, here also I have to paste, and here also I have to paste it. Now for the second one, suppose I am choosing this icon, click in the insert, and here I have to write top, and in next line instructor. For the third one, I am taking this one, and title I have to write online certification. For the fourth one, I am taking this one, click in the insert, and here in the title I am writing 6000 after BR tag membership. Now come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, let me minimize this, click in the grid, and here come back to the layout option, make it 2, and here also 2. After that, click in this, and here in the advanced option, unlock the padding also. So from all sides, let's take around 50. After that, come back to the mobile preview. So mobile from all sides, let's make 30. So after that, let me click in the publish option, Again come back to the desktop preview. So now I have to design this course category session. Come back here, click in the plus option, flex box, I am choosing this one, click in this, come back to the advanced option, padding top I am taking 50 and padding bottom also I am taking 50. After that, click in this plus option and here I have to search for the heading. Here we see the EduBlink heading, just drag and drop it here like that. Pre-heading will be popular courses and main heading will be PK course to get started. Next, the alignment will be centered. So after that, click in this plus option and here I have to search for the course category. So here you can see the courses category Tutor LMS. Just drag and drop it downside like that. So now I have to add all the course category. Click in the add item. So here you can see the category slug. So let's come back to the course category. Hover on the Tutor LMS and click in the category. So that is the course category. Suppose I am opening business. So here you can see the slang. That is business, okay? So come back here. The course slang will be business and the title I am giving business management. Click in this, click in the EduBlink icon. Suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert option. So now let me add another category. So slang is online art. Online art means this one actually, okay? So let me add all the course category in the same manner. And here the title is arts and design. Now from here I am choosing this icon. Next, slang is motivation. Title is personal development. And the icon, suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert. Next is fitness. And title I am writing health and fitness. I am taking this icon, click in the insert. So in similar manner, let me add all the category one after one. So as you can see, I add all the category. Next, let me come back to the tablet preview. So as you can see in the tablet preview, it's coming like that. Let's do one thing. Click in this and here come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. So padding top I am taking around 10. Right also I am taking around 15 and left also I am taking around 15. Now come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, I think it's coming perfectly. No need to change anything. Just click in the publish option and come back to the desktop preview. So now I have to design this PK course session. I mean this part, okay? So come back here, click in the plus icon and flex box. I'm taking this one, okay? Click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Top I'm taking around 70, bottom also I'm taking around 70. So after that, as you can see here, there is a background also. So come back to the style option, click in the background image, and from the media library, suppose I'm taking this one, okay? Click select, click in this plus option, search for the heading, and this EduBlink heading, just drag and drop it here like that. So pre-heading will be this and my heading will be this. Make it center aligned. Now click in this plus option, search for the courses. So here you can see this Just drag and drop it downside like that. So as you can see, it's coming like that because I just create only one single courses, so it's coming like that. So I have to create some more courses. Before that, let me set up the background. So as you know, I already add the background image, but I forgot one thing. The position, I have to make it center, and display size, I have to make it cover. Okay, now it's perfect. So let's publish it, and after that I have to create some more courses. I already teach you how to create free and paid courses. So let me create some more courses, and after that let me continue the video. So as you can see here, I already create so many courses. So now let's come back here. So let me refresh the page once. After that, all the codes are showing properly. So next I have to design this button, and after that this animations also. So come back here, click in this. Let me search for the button here. So here you can see the button. Just drag and drop it downside like that. And my button text will be browse more courses. And here I have to enter the link for the course page. Okay. Alignment should be center. Come back to the advanced option and let me give some top padding around 50 pixel. So after that, I have to design this session. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click in this plus option and click in the flex box. From here I am taking this one, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the animation. Drag and drop the animation here, and from here click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image, click in the select. Now come back to the advanced option, and here the position I have to make it absolute. Just drag and drop it here like that. Next, again click in the plus option and again search for the animation. So here you can see the animation. Just drag and drop it downside. Next, click in this, and from the media library I am choosing this image. Click in the select option, and the animation type, that will be infinite animation, and after that the infinite type, that will be rotate Y. Come back to the advanced option, and here the position will be absolute, and drag and drop it here. I need this grid. Okay, so first of all let me click in this. So I need a container here. So let me rearrange them. So now let me click in the plus option here, and here I need a grid. Now let me click on the container, and here make it 64%. I need everything center aligned, so click in this outer container, and from here I have to make it center. Now I have to click in this grid, and here I need 2 row and 2 column. After that I need a counter. Click in this, search for the counter. So here you can see the counter. Just drag and drop it here like that, and my counter number ending will be 45.2. Suffix will be K, and my title will be this. And now come back to the style option. So here the horizontal alignment, let me make it center. For the number I need this color. In typography 40 pixel will be perfect. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Now just copy it and paste it here, even here also, even here also. Now for the second one, the number will be 99.99. So I have to click here, and here I have to make it 99.99, and here the suffix will be percentage, and the text will be satisfaction rate. So here I have to mention that. Now let me change the color of the number also. Suppose I am taking this color. After that, come back to the third one, and here the number will be 354. So let's make it 354, and after that the suffix will be plus, and the text will be this. So here I have to change the text also. Come back to the style option. So here I need this color. Now come back for the fourth. So here I have to mention 33.4, and suffix will be K only, and after that the title will be class completed, and here I have to change the color of the number also. I am taking this color. Next, what I have to do, I have to click in this, and here let's come back to the advanced option. I have to unlock the margin. So margin top, let me take around -150. And another thing also I have to do, here you can see the grid. Come back to the style option, and here I have to change the background color in white. Let's do another thing also. Come back to the advanced option. I think I have to give some padding also. So top 50 pixel, it's coming like that. Bottom also I'm taking 50. Right I'm taking 40, and left I'm taking 40. And come back to the style option, border, enable the box shadow. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Now let me check the tablet preview. So for the code session also I need some modification. So I have to click here, come back to the advanced option, and here I have to change some padding also. Okay, so top I am keeping 50, and bottom I think 50 will be enough. No, 50 is not enough. Let's make it 150 or maybe 200. After that, if you want to keep that animation you can keep, but if you don't want you can disable that also. Yeah, it's looking nice. Do one thing, for this animation come back to the advanced option, and here the Z index, let's make it 0. Yeah, now it's perfect. So after that remaining thing looking good, but here we can do one thing. Let's click in this container, and let me increase the width a little bit, take it percentage. Yes, that's look good I think. And padding, click in the grid, and here come back to the advanced option. So top I am keeping 50, right I am taking 30, bottom also 50, and left 30. Yeah, that's look good. Now let's come back to the code session. So for this code session also click in this, and here come back to the advanced option. I need some padding in right and left. 20 will be enough I think. Yes, now it's looking good. After that come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview I think top not needed, right 10 pixel and left 10 pixel. Next you come here for the outer layer, I mean for this one I have to increase the button padding. So top I am taking 50, and bottom let's take 300. Yeah, now it's looking good. I think let's make it 350. Perfect. Let me reposition them little bit. Okay. Now let me click in the publish option and come back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to design this testimonial session. So let's come back here, click in this plus option, flex box, and from here I am taking this option. Now click in this, and here the percentage, let's make it 40, and after that for this one let's make it 60. Now click in this and search for the heading here. So here you can see the EduBlink heading, just drag and drop it here like that. Next, my pre-heading will be testimonial, and after that my main heading will be this, and after that my description will be this. So as you can see here, it's already created. Next, I need this view all button also. So you can click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the button. So here you can see the EduBlink button, just drag and drop it here downside, and button text will be view all. Okay. So after that I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the testimonial. So here you can see the testimonial, just drag and drop it here like that. So by default total 4 testimonial is there. Let me add the images. As you can see, image not coming here. So that is the testimonial person name. After that is the testimonial, and after that is the designation. If you want you can change, but it's a dummy project, so I am keeping everything as it is only. Just I am adding the photo. Okay. Suppose from the media library I am choosing this image, clicking the select option, and what the star rating you want to give you can put here like that, and if you have any brand logo you can give here. Similarly for this person, everything I am keeping as it is, but you have to change. Okay. So from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. For the third one, suppose I am taking this image, clicking the select option. Now for the fourth one, suppose I am taking this image, clicking the select option. So now let me check the tablet preview once. So now I have to click in this, and from here this orientation I have to change first of all. After that I have to click in this and make it percentage and make it 100. Similarly for this portion also I have to select this container and I have to make it percent and I have to make it 100. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Now let me check the mobile preview also. Okay, everything looking perfect. So now let me click in the publish option, come back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to design this accordion portion. Okay. So come back here, click in the plus option, flex box, single row 2 column, click in this, come back to the style option. First of all I have to add a background image. Suppose I am choosing this image, click in the select option, and here the position, let me make it center, and background size, make it cover. Next come back to the advanced option. As you can see there is some padding. Okay, even in the downside also small padding is there. So let's come back here. So unlock the padding top I'm taking around 70, and in bottom side around 30 pixel. Next I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the EduBlink heading, just drag and drop it here. So of the heading top I have to write FAQs, I mean in the pre-heading. Okay, and that will be my main heading. So here I have to mention that, and after that will be my description. So after that, again click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the accordion. So here you can see this EduBlink accordion. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Okay, it's coming here. Next, click in the first accordion. I have to change the title. After that, I have to change the content also. Now click in the second accordion. Here also I have to change the title and content. And for the third accordion also I have to change the title and content. The remaining setting I am keeping as it is. If you want to change, you can do that. Okay. So after that, I have to design this portion. So let's come back here, click in this plus option, and here I have to drag and drop the container. Next, I have to click in this, and I have to make it percentage, and here I have to make it 50. And after that, right click and click in the duplicate. Now click in the outer container, and the direction I have to change. Okay. So after that, I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the animation. So here you can see the animation. Just drag and drop it here like that, and now I have to add the animation image also. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, and click in the select option. So after that, come back to the advanced option. The position I have to make it absolute, and just drag and drop here like that. After that, I have to select this container, and here the flow I have to make it column vertical. Similarly for this one also, click in this, and the flow I have to make it column vertical. Next, I have to click in this plus option, and here I need an image, and here you can see the image. Just drag and drop it downside of the animation like that. Okay. So now click in this, and from the media library, let me take this image. Click in the select option. Now come back to the style option. So here unlock the border radius. Right I am making 80 pixel, and left also I am taking 80 pixel. So after that, again come back to the plus option, and here let me search for the animation again. So here you can see the animation. Just drag and drop it downside of the image. Click in this, and from the media library, I am taking this one, and click in the select option. Even for this animation also, come back to the advanced option, and here the position I have to make it absolute. Just drag and drop it here like that. And for this image, come back to the advanced option, and here you can see the Z index, make it 5. Okay, now it's looking quite good. Next, click in this plus option, and here again I have to search for the animation. So here you can see the animation. Just drag and drop it here. Now I need this circle animation. So click in this, and from the media library, I am taking this image. Click in the select. Now I have to change the animation to infinite, and after that, infinite type rotate Y. Next, come back to the advanced option. Position I have to make it absolute. Next, again click in this plus option. Again I have to search for the image, this one. Just drag and drop it downside of the animation like that. Next, click in this, and from the media library, I am taking this one. Click in the select option, and for this one also, come back to the advanced option. Position I have to make it absolute. Come back to the style option, unlock the border radius. Right and left I am taking 80 pixel. Okay. Next, just drag and drop it downside like that. Next, what I have to do, I have to check the tablet preview. So as you can see in the tablet preview, it's coming like that, but I don't want it should be look like that. So first of all, I have to click in this and come back to the layout option. I have to make it column vertical. Next, I have to select this container. Okay. Come back to the layout option, and I have to make it %, and after that I have to make it 100. Even similarly for this second container also, I have to make it percent and let's make it 100. Now let me rearrange the animation positions little bit, and before that, for the second container, unlock the padding, and padding top let's take around 100. Okay, so next just drag it like that. After that, for the animation also, let's make something like that, and I think I have to deposition this animation also. Yes, it's look good now. After that, let me check the mobile preview. The top position is perfect, but here let's disable these animations. Okay, so come back to the content, scroll down, and here you can see the show and hide. Make it hide. Even for this small animation also, come back to the content, the scroll down and make it hide. Let's do one thing. The second container here, actually just disable this one for the mobile. Come back to the advanced and make it responsive and hide on the mobile portrait. Next, come back to the desktop preview, click in the publish option once. So after that, I have to design this blog post session, but I don't have blog post yet, so I have to create that. So for that, I have to come back to the dashboard, and after that, here you can see the post. Before creating the blog post, let me add some post category. By default, one will be there, and now I have to add some new one also. So here I have to enter the category name. After that, I have to click in the add category. Let me add some more. So as you can see, I already add lot of category here. Now I have to create the blog post. So for that, let me click in this all post option, and after that, by default one post will be there. Just delete it, click in the trash. Now for adding new blog post, I have to click in this add post option. So after that, I have to give the blog post title, next blog post description, and from here you have to choose the category. If you want to add the tag, always you can do that. After that, let me add the feature image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, and after that, let me click in the set feature image, and after that, I have to click in the publish option. So after that, for adding another blog post, again I have to click in the add post option. Here also in similar manner, I have to add the blog post title, and after that, blog post content. Next, I have to choose the category, and after that, click in the set feature image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, click in the publish option. Again I have to create another blog post, so again I have to click in the add post option. So again add the title, after that content, I have to choose the category, click in the set feature image. Suppose I am taking this image and click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Let me add more two posts, click in the add post option. So post title, after the post content, next post category, after that click in this. I am choosing this image, click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Let me add the last post, click in the add post option. So title, content, choose the category, set feature image. I am choosing this image, click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So as you can see, I already create total 5 blog posts. Now let's come back here. So let me refresh the page once. So first of all, I need this heading. Okay, so next click in the plus option, flex box. I'm choosing this one, click in this, search for the heading, EduBlink heading, drag and drop it here. Pre-heading will be this latest article, so here I have to mention that. After that, my main heading will be this. So after that, orientation will be in the center. Next, click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the post, and after that Just drag and drop it here downside like that. Style I am choosing 4, and query setting, everything here I am keeping as it is. Next, come back to the grid setting, let's make it 4. So everything I'm keeping as it is, and do one thing, display type, let's make it slider. Okay, everything perfect. Now let me quickly check the tablet preview also for the blog session. So as you can see, everything is coming perfectly. Even for the mobile preview also, let me check once. Okay, it's working perfectly. Next, let's come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to design this call to action session. So let's come back here. So let me click in the plus option. After that, let me take flex box. I'm taking this one. So click in the plus option, drag and drop a container here like that. Now for this container, directly come back to the advanced option, and here I have to unlock the padding. So padding top I am taking around 20. After the right I am taking around 10, bottom also 20, and left I am taking 10. Next I have to come back to the style option. I have to choose the gradient. The first color I am choosing this. After that, the second color I am choosing this. Next, come back to the layout option. So here I have to choose pixel and make it 800. Now I have to choose this outer container, and here in the layout I have to make it center. Now again click in this plus option, and here I need another container, and before that click in the outer container, I mean this one, and the direction that will be row. Okay, row horizontal. Next click in this, and let's make it percentage, make it 40, duplicate it, again duplicate it. And another thing I have to do, when I am choosing this outer container, I have to unlock the gap. Okay, next I have to click in this, so it's 40. Next one will be 20, and the last one will be 40. So total 100. Okay, so after that, for this one, the orientation will be column vertical. Click in this, I need heading, so search for the heading here. So just drag and drop it here like that. That icon I not required, so that will be the heading, and that will be the pre-heading. Orientation will be right. Now come back to the style option. So for the pre-heading, the color that will be pure white color. Click in the typography, and let's make it 20, and the font weight, let's make it 400. I think 500 will be perfect. Now for the heading, first of all let me make it around 40. I think 40 is more. Let's make it around 22 something. 22 is also big. Let's make it smaller. So next I have to change the color also. So color will be pure white color, and after that in the typography, let me decrease the line height. Now just copy the thing, and I have to paste it here. So for this, call me via, so that will be the pre-heading, direction will be left, and my heading will be this. And here I need the plain heading, and here I am writing or, and next directly come back to the style option, make it center aligned, click in the typography. I am taking around 24 pixel. After that, text color, let me take this color. Next, I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding 18 pixel from all side. Okay, click in the background, and background will be pure white color. Next, I have to click in the border, and I have to make it solid border with 4 pixel from all side, and border radius will be 50%, and border color, let's make it white color. After that, click in this. Okay, and here the width I have to adjust because I need it should be round. Okay, like that. So it's 12 is coming. So what I have to do, the total will be 100, so that is the 12. Okay, so 100 minus 12 is 88, and divide by 2, that will be 44. Okay, so click here, I have to make it 44, and for this one also click here and I have to make it 44. Next, we can do one thing, click here and come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, and here suppose top padding I am taking 10, right padding I am taking 0, bottom padding I am taking 10, and left padding I am taking 20. And for this one also, for this container, come back here, top I am taking 10, right I am taking 20, bottom I am taking 10. So now let's click in the tablet preview. So as you can see in the tablet preview, it's coming like that. Now let me check the mobile preview also. So in the mobile preview, we can do one thing, click in this, and here come back to the content, let me make it center aligned. Even for this one also, let me make it center aligned for the mobile, and for this one actually I have to click in the container, and for this one actually make it %. I have to manually adjust the width in %, and here it's coming exactly round shape. Okay, so next we have to do one thing, I have to click in this, and for the mobile alignment will be all center. Even for this column also, let's make it center, and for this container, for this outer container, the column vertical. Okay, and another thing I have to do, I have to click in the first one, here unlock the padding. Even for this one also click here and unlock it. So everything is purely center aligned. Now let me click in the publish option. Now let's come back to the desktop preview. So now in the desktop preview, let me add some animation also. So click in this and let me search for the animation. So here you can see the animation, just drag and drop it here like that, and after that click in this, and from the media library I am choosing this one, click in the select option, and after that come back to the advanced option, position I have to choose absolute, and just drag and drop it here like that. And after that let me add another animation also. So again search for the animation, so that is the animation, and click in this, and from the media library I am choosing this one, click in the select, and in similar manner the position I have to make it absolute. So I think that's perfect. Next click in this, I think I need some margin top or padding top, whatever. So padding top, let's take around 100. 100 is more, let's make it around 70. And for the tablet, it's working, just drag it here like that something, And for the mobile, animation is working here. Okay, everything I'm keeping as it is. Click in the publish, come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to design this course instructor session. Okay, so come back here, click in the plus option, flex box, I'm taking this one, click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I'm taking around 70. Next, click in this, search for the heading. So here you can see this heading, just drag and drop it here, and pre-heading will be instructor. After that, my main heading will be course instructor, and everything should be center aligned. Next, click in this, and here I have to search for the team. Just drag and drop it here downside like that. Come back to the grid setting, let's make it 4. Now come back here, click in this. So here I have to mention the name. If they have any profile website, then you have to paste that here. After that, here I have to put the designation. Next, here the details, and after that, here actually I have to put the image. The image pixel should be 370 into 370. Click the select option. Similarly for the second one also, click in this. Suppose I'm choosing this image, click in the select option. And for the third one, suppose I'm taking this. And for the fourth one, suppose I'm taking this. Okay, and another thing I forgot actually, the social media link of that person you have to mention here if they have. Okay, so next let me check the tablet preview. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. Let's do one thing. For the tablet preview, unlock the padding, and right let's take 10 pixel, and left also let's take 10 pixel. Now check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, okay, everything is perfect. Let's click in the publish option and come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to add some animation also. As you can see here, there is some animation. So let's do that. So click in the plus option, search for the animation. So here is the animation, just drag and drop it here, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I'm choosing this image, click in the select option, and after that come back to the advanced option, and here I have to make it absolute in the position. Okay, so it's coming like that. After that, the Z index, let's make it 0 or -1, whatever. Okay, -1 is working perfectly. And next, again click in the add element option. Let me add another animation here. So here you can see the animation, drag and drop it here, click in this, and from the media library I am taking this one, click in the select option, come back to the advanced option, the position I have to make it absolute, and just drag and drop it here like that. Now let's check the tablet preview. So here you can see it's overlapping, so we have to reposition it. Even for this animation also, let's reposition it. Okay, manually it's not coming, so you can do one thing. From here also you can do it. Okay, and for the mobile preview, let's check how it's coming. Do one thing in the mobile preview, come back to the content and hide it. Even for this animation also, come back to the content and just hide it. Okay, everything perfect. So next, click in the publish, come back to the desktop preview. So next I have to design this session. Okay, come back here, click in the plus option, flex box, I'm taking this, click in this, and here come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I'm taking around 50 pixel. After that, come back to the padding top I'm taking 50, and padding bottom also I'm taking around 50. So next, come back to the style option, Now click in this and let me add a background image for that. Suppose I'm choosing this image, click in the select option. After that, position, I have to make it center, and display size, make it cover. Click in this and here let me search for the heading. So here is the heading and my heading content will be this one, and the certificate I needed red color, so I wrote it in a span tag and class is EduBlink color equal to secondary. Okay, next come back to the style option, make it center aligned. Click in the typography, I have to increase the line height little bit. Next, the color, that should be pure black color, and after that I need a button also. Click in this and let me search for the button. So here you can see the button, just drag and drop it here downside and the button text will be get started now. Come back here and here I have to write get started now. Alignment should be in the center aligned. So now come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that, and in the mobile preview also let me check how it's looking. Let me click in this, and here in the mobile preview I think I have to decrease the line height little bit, that will be the perfect. Okay, next click in the publish option and come back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to add one animation also. Click in this and let me search for the animation. So here you can see the animation, just drag and drop it downside like that. Click in this and from the media library, suppose I'm taking this one, click in the select option and here the animation type I have to make it infinite animation and infinite type, that will be rotate Y. Okay, so next come back to the advanced option, position I have to make it absolute. So I think that's perfect. And for the tablet preview, the animation should come here, and for the mobile preview, let's come back to the content for the animation and I have to hide it. Click in the publish and after that come back to the desktop preview. So next I have to design this sponsor session. So for that come back here, click in the plus option. Let me do one thing, let me increase the top and bottom side padding little bit. So come back to the advanced and let's make it around 70, and for the bottom also let's make it 70. Now it's looking good. Okay, so now click in the flex box and here I'm taking this one. After that click in this and the percentage, let's make it around 40, and for this one it should be 60. After that click in this and search for the heading, drag and drop the heading here, and here that will be the pre-heading. So here I have to mention that, and after that that will be my main heading. Come back here, so here I have to mention that, and that is the description. So copy it and here I have to mention it. Okay, next click in this and just drag and drop the grid here, and let's make it 4 column. Click in this and drag and drop the image here. Click in this and from the media library I'm choosing this image. Click in the select. Similarly here also drag and drop the image. Click in this. I'm taking this image. Click in the select option. Similarly this one also, click in this. I'm taking this image. Click in the select. Similar process I have to do for 8 grid. Okay, even for this one also, click in this, drag and drop the image. Click in this and from the media library I'm choosing this one. Click in the select. For this one drag and drop the image, and from the media library I'm choosing this one. Click in the select. Click this, drag and drop the image here. Click this I'm taking this image, clicking the select, and for the last one, drag and drop the image here and clicking this. I'm taking this image and clicking the select option. So after that, let me check the tablet preview. Scroll down. So in the tablet preview, let's do one thing, click in this, and here I have to make it column vertical. Okay. Next, I have to click in this container and make it percentage and make it 100. And for this one also, I have to choose this outer container. If you not able to choose from here, you can do that. Like you can choose this outer side, okay, not the inner one, the outer one. Okay, so make it percentage and just drag it in 100. Okay, next click in this and make it center aligned. Next, come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, we can do one thing. I have to select this grid, and here we can do one thing, just make it 2. Everything is coming perfectly. So you can see in the tablet also, everything is working perfectly. Let me click in the publish option. So now let's come back to the desktop preview. So the designing of the homepage is complete. Now I have to design the About Us page. If you want, you can do one thing, click in this and give some padding in top and bottom side also, like around 50 and 30. Okay, click in the publish. So after that, once publish done, click in this, and after that, and I have to click in the exit to WordPress. So now I have to add another page. Click in the add page. The page name I am giving as About Us, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Next I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So Elementor page builder interface already loaded. So that is my About Us page. Okay, so let's start to design the About Us page. So first of all, I have to design this session. So let's come back here, click in the plus option and click in the flex box. I am taking single row and 2 column. Next I have to click in this, and after that let's come back to the style option. As you can see here, there is a background color. Okay, so here you can see the gradient option. The first color I am taking this, and the second color I am taking this one, and angle I am making it 90 degree. There is a shape divided option available, and from here let's come back to the button option, and in the bottom I am choosing this one. Okay, and here you can see the height, let's make it around 100. Next scroll up, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking around 160, and padding bottom I am taking around 300. Next I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. Here you can see the EduBlink heading, just drag and drop it here. So my pre-heading will be About Us. Next my main heading will be this one, and my description will be this. Okay, so next again click in this plus option. Now I have to design this icon box session. So here let me take one container. Now take another container inside. Okay, click in this one, and the width I'm making it 50. Let me duplicate it. Now I have to click in this one, and from here the orientation I have to change. Okay, so next click in this. Let me search for the icon. So here you can see the icon, just drag and drop it here like that. Click in this, and after that I have to click in this EduBlink icon. Suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert option. First of all, come back to the style option. From here I have to change the orientation. Next, for changing the color of the icon, suppose I am taking this color. Next, again click in this plus option and search for the heading. So here you can see this EduBlink heading, just drag and drop it downside like that. Pre-heading not required, delete it. After that my heading will be this one and my subheading will be this. Okay, next come back to the style option, click in the typography, make it 20. And I forgot one thing, come back to the content, I don't need this icon. Okay, disable it. Next come back to the subheading, everything I am keeping as it is only. Okay, so next just right click in the copy, paste, copy and paste. Now I have to change the icon, click in this, and suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert. Now come back to the style option, let me change the color also, and here it will be our mission. Okay, so come back here, click in this, so here I have to write our mission. So next I have to design this session, so let's come back here, click in the plus option, let me take a container. Now inside this container let me take another container. For this one make it 50%, right click in the duplicate. Next I have to choose this container and the orientation will be this. Now click in this and drag and drop the image here, click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image, click in the select option. After that I need another image also, click in the plus option, drag and drop the image downside, click in this, and from the media library I am taking this one, click in the select. Now choose the first image, come back to the style option, unlock the border radius, top I am taking around 70. After that right 10, button 10, and left also 10. And for this image also come back to the style option, unlock the border radius, make it 15, 10, 15, 10. Okay, now click in this plus option and drag and drop the image here, and click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image, click in the select, and after that again I need another image, just drag and drop it downside like that, click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image, click in the select. Now select this image, come back to the style option, and here the border radius from all side I am taking 10 pixel. And now for this one also come back to the style option, unlock the border radius, and here top I am taking 10, right 10, bottom 90, and left 10. So after that I need some animation also, as you can see here there is some animation. So come back here, click in this plus option, let me search for the animation. So just drag and drop the first animation here, click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image, click in the select. After that come back to the advanced option, here the position I have to make it absolute. Next Z index, let me make it -2. After that let's change the position of the animation. So I think that's look good. Next click in the plus option, again search for the animation. So just drag and drop the animation here like that, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this one, click select. Next come back to the advanced, and here also I have to make it absolute, just drag and drop it here like that, and Z index let me make it 0 first of all, if not -1. This -1 is working perfectly. And for this animation also, I mean this one, Z index, let's make it -1 only. Now let's check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, first of all what you have to do, you have to choose the outer container, and after that you have to come back to the layout option, and from here I have to make it item orientation column vertical. Okay, next to this container, make it percent and just make it 100. For the second container also, make it percent and just make it 100. Now select the outer container. As you can see here, there are a lot of gap. I don't need that much gap in the tablet preview. So come back to the advanced option, just make it 100 in top, and after that in the button, let's make it around 150. And another thing also I have to do, click in this, and the orientation I have to make it center. This portion is working perfectly, so I'm not going to change anything. Next, come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, if you want, you can decrease the font size of the heading little bit. So let me come back here, click in the heading typography. Let's make it 20 or 22 also, I think will be perfect. Yes. Now this session, if you want to keep all the images like that, you can do it. Else you can do another thing. You can select this container and come back to the advanced option, and here you can disable it. You have to click in the responsive and hide on the mobile portrait. Now let's come back to the desktop preview. Let me click in the publish option. So after that, I have to design this counter session, means counter box with icon. So let's come back here. Now here let me click in this plus option and let me take grid. Click in this, and now I'm making it 4 column and single row. Now for the first column, click in this, drag and drop the container here, and container direction will be downside. Okay. So next, click in this, let me search for the icon. So here you can see the icon, just drag and drop it here, click in this, click in the EduBlink icon. Suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert. Now from here I have to make it struct and circle. Now I have to come back to the style option. The primary color I am taking this, and the secondary color I am taking this one. Okay. Next, click in this and let me search for the counter. So here you can see the counter, just drag and drop it downside like that. Here the number will be 29.3, suffix will be K, means 1000, and my title will be this. After that, come back to the style option. First of all, I have to change the number color in dark ash color. Next, click in the typography. Let's make it 40. And if you want to change the title typography, you can do that, but here I'm keeping everything as it is. Next, just come here, this container, right click and click in the duplicate. Again right click in the duplicate. Again right click and click in the duplicate. Now click in the second one, click in this, and from the icon library, suppose I'm taking this one, click in the insert, and here click in this. So the here number will be 32.5, and that will be class completed. Now click in the icon, come back to the style option. So my primary color will be this, and my secondary color will be this one. Now click in the third one. So here I need this icon, this one, click in the insert, and after that number will be 100, and here in suffix I have to mention %, and here will be the satisfaction rate. So let me change it here. Now click in the icon, come back to the style option. Let me change the primary color. After that, let me change the secondary color also. Now for the fourth one, I need this icon. Click in this one, click in the insert, and 354, and here in suffix I have to mention plus, and the text will be top instructor. So here I have to mention that. Next, come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, click in this. I have to make it 2 column in each row. And next, let me check the mobile preview. So everything is coming perfectly. Now again, come back to the desktop preview. Click in this. Come back to the advanced option. Unlock the margin. Margin top, I think 150 will be enough. Okay, I think let's make it 200. And another thing I forgot, click in this, and here come back to the style option. The background type, I have to make it white color like that. And from here you can see the box shadow, I have to enable that. Now right click here, click in the copy, and here right click, and here is the paste style option. Click on that. For this one also paste style, and for this one also paste style. If you want, you can make it -250 also. It's up to you. So next, come back to the tablet preview. So here let me unlock. Let's make it -50. Let me increase a little bit. I think -75 will be perfect. And for the mobile preview, unlock it. Yes, everything is looking quite good. Click in the publish option. Come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to design this session. Let's do one thing. Click in this, and in the bottom side, let's make it around 70. So click in this, and in flexbox, let me take this one. Now here actually I have to give a background image for this session. From the media library, suppose I'm taking this one, and click in the select option. Next, the position I have to make it center, and here you can see the display size. Let's make it cover. Now click in this one and come back to the advanced option. Unlock the padding top and bottom. I'm taking around 100 and 100. Okay. Next, clicking this plus option, and let me search for the heading here. Drag and drop the EduBlink heading here. Next, my pre-heading will be this, and my heading will be this one. This beneficial, I need red color. I do it before also. In the mark tab, I mentioned the beneficial. Okay. So next, make it center aligned. Next, what I have to do, again click in this, drag and drop the container. Now inside this container, click in the plus option. I need a grid. In this grid, total 3 column will be, but single row. Now inside this grid, first column, let me take feature box. Here you can see the features. Just drag and drop it here like that. And from here I'm choosing style 6. So that will be the title. That will be the details. I mean, I'm designing this one. Okay. So that is the title and that is the details. Okay. Next, I have to choose this icon. Click in this. Come back to the EduBlink icon. So that is the icon. Click in the insert. Next, I have to add the image also. Click in this. So that is the image. Click on the select. Now come back to the style option. Let me change the color, this one. Now click in this. Again, let me search for the feature. Drag and drop it here like that. So that will be the heading or title. Next, that will be the content. After that, click in this, and from here I'm choosing this icon. Click in the insert, make it style 6. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I'm taking this image, click in the select, come back to the style option, change the color. Let's copy and paste it here. Now for the third one, that will be my title and that will be my content. After that, the icon will be this one. Click in the insert. Let me change the image also. I'm taking this image, click in the select. Now let me check the tablet preview. So do one thing, in this grid make it 2, okay, it will come like that. And let's check the mobile preview. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. So come back to the desktop preview and publish it. So after that I have to design this call to action session. So after that I have to design this call to action session. Hope you remember this kind of session you already designed in the home page. So that is the home page. So we can do one thing, just copy it from here, come back here and directly just paste it. Now here you can see it's in red color, so you can easily change that. So click in this, come back to the style option. So here my first color will be this one and my second color will be this one. And another thing, come back to the background overlay, click in this. Let me add an image here as a background overlay. Let me add this one as background overlay, okay. Click in the select option. So after that, if you want, you can decrease the opacity a little bit. So here you can see the opacity option. I think that's looking quite good. Let's check the tablet preview. Perfect. Even in the mobile preview also you can see everything is working perfectly. So after that I have to design this course instructor session. This session also I previously designed. So just copy, come back here, right click and paste. So next I have to design this session. So first of all I have to design this heading and after that this testimonial, okay. So come back here, click in the plus option, click in the flex box. I'm taking single row and 2 column, click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I'm taking around 100 and padding bottom also I'm taking around 100, okay. So next click in this and let me search for the heading here. So here you can see the EduBlink heading, just drag and drop it here. So that will be my free heading. So here I have to mention that, and after that that will be my main heading. So here I have to mention. Next let me do one thing, click in this and come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, the right padding, let's make it 100, okay. So after that I have to design a testimonial session also. Click in this, let me search for the testimonial. So here you can see the testimonial, just drag and drop it downside like that, and from this drop down I'm choosing style 17. Click in the first one. The name and the testimonial I'm not changing because it's a dummy website, but you have to do it. I'm just adding some images. Let me take this one. For the second one, from the media library, suppose I'm taking this one. And for the third one, from the media library, suppose I'm taking this image. I think 3 is enough. Next here actually I have to add a video pop-up. So let me search for the video. So here you can see this EduBlink video pop-up, just drag and drop it here like that. Background image, yes, click in this, and from the media library I'm taking this image, click in the select option. Next here you have to enter your video URL. Remaining here everything I'm keeping as it is. Animation, let's make it custom ripple color, and if you want to change this ripple color you can do it from here. Suppose I'm taking this pink color, so you can see the color gets changed. Next come back to the style option, overlay color I'm taking this one, height 360, border radius unlock it, 50, top and right 10. Now clicking the icon. So the box size, let's make 88 and size 24. This one 2, left spacing 2, let's make it 3. After that icon rotate 0. The background color, let me take this color. Next come back to the advanced option, width make it custom and 100. And I forgot to do one thing, come back to the content, and from here let me click in the EduBlink, and from here I am taking this icon. Okay, click in the insert. So once done, let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, click in this one, and here come back to the layout option, make it column vertical. After that I have to choose this one. Now come back to the layout, make it percentage, make it 100. Come back to the advanced option, I have to unlock the padding. Next, for the second container also, I have to make it percentage, make it 100. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, padding top I am taking 100. And for this one also, click here, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, padding top I am taking around 100. After that right 50, bottom will be 0 and left will be 50. Next come back to the mobile preview. Now here I have to unlock it. Let's make top 50. After that right side 10, bottom 0 and left will be 10. Okay, everything is working perfectly here. Let's click in the publish option. Now come back to the desktop preview. So the designing of the about us page also complete. So click in this, and after that I have to click in the exit to WordPress. Next I have to design the contact page. So let me check how my contact us page should be look like. So as you can see, that is my contact us page, and in the contact us page there is a contact form. So first of all I have to design this contact form. For creating this contact form, first of all come back to the dashboard, and here I have to install one plugin. So for that, hover on the plugin and click in the add plugin option, and here you have to search for the WP form. So that is the plugin WP form. Okay, so click in the install now. Once installation done, I have to click in the activate option. So after successfully installed, this page will come. So from there you can directly click in this create your first form, else here you can see WP form also appear. So from there you can click in the add new form also. It's totally up to you. So let me click in this create your first form option. Click in the let's go. And here you can see simple contact form is there. Click in the use template. I forgot to give the name actually. So let me click in the setup option. So here I have to enter the name as my contact from. Let me click in the save option. After that come back to the fields option. Let me check how my contact form should look like. So as you can see, it should look like that. So email field is already there. Now I need the subject field also. So just drag and drop it here like that. Next click in the first one and click in the advanced, and from here I have to make it large, and in the placeholder I have to enter first name, and here for the last name the placeholder will be last name. Next hide label, hide sub label for email field. Come back to the advanced option, size will be large and placeholder text will be email, and after that hide label, hide sub label, Next, for the single line text, for the new field, so here the label will be subject, and come back to the advanced option, make it large, placeholder text will be subject, hide label. And for this comment or message box also, come back to the advanced option, placeholder text will be subject, hide label. And after that I have to click in the save option. So once done, click in the exit option. So my contact form already created. So now hover on the page and click in the add page. Page name I am giving as contact us. Click in the publish option. Once published, I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So now from here, click in the plus option, flex box. I am taking single row and 2 column. Click in that, and from there come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top. I am taking 100 pixel. Next, click in this and drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be this. Okay. Next, come back to the style option, click in this, and from here let's make it 30. After that, come back to the text color, make it black color. So after that, I need another heading also. So click in this and search for the heading. So drag and drop the EduBlink heading downside of that, and here my pre-heading not required. Main heading will be address, and in the description or subheading I have to enter the address. I don't need this icon, so just disable that. After that, come back to the style option and click in the typography, and let's make it 22. Next, just right click, click in the duplicate, again right click and click in the duplicate. Now for the second one, my heading will be email ID, and let me enter my email ID here. And for the third heading, that will be phone, and here I have to enter my contact number. After that, I have to click here. Again, let me search for the heading, drag and drop the EduBlink heading here. Pre-heading not required. My heading will be get in touch, and my subheading will be this. Now let's disable the shape, come back to the style, click in this, size I am taking 30. After that, click in this plus option and search for the WP form. So here you can see the WP form. Just drag and drop it downside like that, and from here I have to choose my contact form. Let me check. Okay, I forgot to add this social media icon actually. So come back here. Now click in the plus option. Let me search for social. So here you can see the social icons. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Now let me click in this Facebook. Click in this, and from EduBlink icon I am choosing this Facebook. Click in the insert. After that, here I have to enter Facebook link. Similarly for the Twitter, click in this. From the EduBlink icon I am taking this icon, click in the insert, and here I have to enter the Twitter link. And for the Instagram also, click in the EduBlink icon, scroll down, click in the Instagram. Okay, click in the insert, and here you have to enter the Instagram link. If you have LinkedIn, you can do it. Let me remove this. I think 3 is enough. Okay. Now if you want round shape, then come back to the style option, icon size 16. After that, spacing, let's take 20, and icon box width, let me make it around 45 or 46, anything will be okay. Height also 46. After that, here you can see the border radius, let's make 50. So in this way you can make it rounded. Okay. Now let me click in the publish option. Let me check the tablet preview once. So in the tablet preview, again I have to click in this and come back to the layout option, orientation I have to change and click in this and make it percentage with 100, and for this one also make it percentage and make it 100. After that check the mobile preview also. Let me do one thing, give some gap here. Okay, so come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 50. Now let's come back to the desktop preview, and after that click in the publish option. So after that I need this Google map. So for that you have to open a new tab, come to Google and open the map. Here you can see the map, just open it. Now from the map actually you have to search your exact location, but it's a dummy website, so let me take in a random location. Suppose I am choosing this one. Now after choosing the location you have to click in the share option, and after that here you can see the embed a map, and after that you have to click in the copy HTML. Next what you have to do, come back here, let's take single row and single column, and here just take the text editor, okay, and come back to the code, and here you have to paste that, and here you can see the width, just you have to change it in 100%. Next what you have to do, if you want to change the height you can do it. Suppose I want 400, and let me do one thing, click in this and make it full width, and after that you can see some gap. Okay, so for that you have to unlock the padding. So it's done. Now let me click in the publish option. Now after that let me check the tablet preview, and that will be the mobile preview. So everything is working perfectly. So now let me come back to the dashboard. So click in the exit to WordPress. So in the next step let me create the course page and blog page. So for that I have to click in the add page option. Page title I am giving courses. After that I have to click in the publish option. Next again click in the add page option. Page title I am giving as blog, and click in the publish option. So in the next step I have to set default blog page and home page. So for that you have to hover on the settings option, and after that you have to click in the reading option. Now from here you have to choose this a static page. Okay, now for home page I am selecting home, and for post page I am selecting blog. After that you have to click in the save changes. Now I have to set the default course page, I mean in which page all the course should be displayed. Okay, so for that I have to come back to the Tutor LMS settings. Now from here you have to come back to the advanced option, and from here you have to choose the course page. Okay, once done you have to click in the save changes. So after that I have to create menus. So for that I have to hover on the appearance, and from there I have to click in the menus. So by default one menu will be there, just select everything, and from here just delete everything. Okay, because I want to teach you how to create a menu from scratch. So let me select all of them, and after selecting everything just click in this remove selected item. Okay, so everything deleted. Now I have to give the menu name. I am giving the menu name as main menu. So from here I need home page, blog page, about us page, after that contact us page and course page. Scroll down, click in the add to menu. Now I have to rearrange them, like after home there will be about us, and after that the course page, after that blog page and contact us page. Click in the save menu. So it's done. Now I need another menu. Click in the create a new menu. I am giving the menu name as footer menu 1. Click in the create menu option. So after that let me click in the view all. So from here I am taking this one, student registration, instructor registration, privacy policy, dashboard and courses page. Randomly I am selecting. Okay, you can select according to your requirement. After that, let me click in the save menu option, and again click in the create a new menu. I am giving the menu name as footer menu 2. Click in the create menu option. I am creating this menu actually for this and for this. Okay, so again let me select some random option like privacy policy, terms and condition, dashboard, user account, contact us. After that, let me click in the add to menu option, and let me click in the save menu. So once done, click in the manage location. From here, choose the main menu as primary menu, and after that you have to click in the save changes. So now this main menu will be act as my primary menu. Okay, hope you understand. So next I have to create this mega menu. So for that, if you hover on this EduBlink, here you can see the mega menu option is there. Click on the mega menus. After that, I have to click in this add new mega menu, and here I am giving the menu name as my mega menu. After that, I have to click in the publish option. I want to edit this mega menu with the help of Elementor, but here we can see Elementor option is not displaying. So for that, I have to click in the Elementor. Now scroll down. Here you can see the settings downside of the Elementor. Now from here I have to choose all of them. Okay, as you can see mega menu also there. I have to select everything. Okay, and after that I have to click in the save changes, and once done, come back here in the mega menus. After that, let me open that. Now you can see this edit with Elementor option is coming. Click on that. So now let me click in this plus option. Click in the flex box. I'm choosing this one. After that, click in this, and from here let me take grid, and here I need only single row, so I'm making it 1. Now click in this and drag and drop a container here, and click in this. Now I need a heading, just drag and drop the heading, and my heading will be best selling course. After that, come back to the style option, and let's make it black, and here let's make it H4. So after that, click in this, search for the list. So here you can see the icon list, just drag and drop it downside like that. Now open dashboard in a new tab, and after that let me open the courses. Now let me open a course. So after that, I have to copy the course name, come back here, expand that, and in the text I have to mention the course name, and after the link is there. So what you have to do, just right click and click in the copy link. Okay, come back here, and here I have to paste that link. Similarly, click in the exit. Let me open another course, and again I have to copy the course name, come back here. Let me do one thing, just delete them. After that, just copy it, and for the second one also I have to paste the course name. After that, I have to copy the link, right click, click in the copy link, come back here, and here I have to mention the link. Let me copy it one more time, open the third one. So from here let me click in the exit. Now let me take another course. So whatever the course you want to display in the mega menu, you can do like that. Okay, so similarly I have to copy the course name. So at the place of the text you have to give the name, and after that you have to right click in the course URL, copy link, come back here, and here you have to paste that link. So next, come back to the style option, space between. If you want to give some more space, you can mention that like that. If you want divider, you can enable that, it's up to you. Okay, after that, icon, suppose the icon color, I need this color. Next, position, where do you want to display? You want to display in middle or end, You can choose according to your requirement. Suppose I'm choosing center. Okay, after the text, if you want to change the color or something, you can do that. Suppose on hover I want to change the color, and the color will be this one. Okay, so as you can see, when I hovering on them, the color gets changed. Next, right click, click in the duplicate, again right click, click in the duplicate. Now for the second one, my heading will be most popular course. Now again you have to copy the course name and paste them. And for the third one, so that will be the recent course. Even here also you have to edit that. I mean, you have to edit the course name and link. It's a dummy website, so I'm keeping everything as it is. So that will be the tablet preview, and that will be the mobile preview. Let me click in the publish option. So after that, you have to click in this and click in the exit to WordPress. So hope you understand how to create the mega menu. Now you have to link up this mega menu also. So for that, you have to hover on the appearance, and after that you have to click the menus. So as you can see here in my dummy website, so the mega menu is linked up with the course. Okay, so from here, let me choose the main menu, click in the select option. Now here in the course, just expand that. After that, here you can see the mega menu. So from here I'm choosing my mega menu, means my mega menu name. Okay, after that, alignment, I'm keeping it left align, and the width, suppose I'm taking around 850 pixel. Now let me click in the save menu option again. So now I have to set up the header and footers. Before that, hover on the EduBlink and click in the theme option, because I need some modification in the theme option. So first of all, come back to the header setting, and from here I am choosing theme header 1. Okay, after that I have to update the logo also. First of all, remove this one, click in the upload, and from the media library, let me choose my logo, click in the select. Sticky header, yes, I want that, so enable this one. After that, header category option, yes, I have to enable that, and the category title will be category. If you come to my dummy website, here you can see the category, and how many category you want to display, you have to choose from here. By default it's 10. If you want, you can change that also. Okay, so next, scroll down, and after changing anything, you have to save the changes. Okay, it's very important. After that, bottom at header, disable it. After that, search field, yes, I want that. Cut in header, yes, I want that also. Top header bar, I meant this top bar actually, yes, I want that. And from here, suppose I'm choosing the second style. Okay, top bar 2. Okay, next, header top bottom text, yes, I want that, and that will be the dashboard. And the link, for getting the link, you have to open a dashboard in a new tab. Now from here, I have to hover on the pages and click in the all pages. Now here you can see the dashboard page is there, click on that. So from here I have to copy this permalink, copy link, come back here, and here I have to enter that. Remaining here, everything I am keeping as it is. After that, top header message, if you want to write something in the top header, you can write that. After that, here you have to enter your phone number. Next, email ID, here you have to enter your email ID. Next, header top login register, yes, I need that. And here actually you have to enter your Facebook link, Instagram link, Twitter link, LinkedIn link, YouTube link, I mean all the social media link you have to enter here. After that, let me click in the save changes. So now let me check how my website is looking right now. So as you can see, everything is coming perfectly, all the category also displaying here, and when I hover on the courses, the mega menu is also opening perfectly. But my top bar is not coming. Let me check again. Okay, here I have to enable that. Okay, click in the save changes. Now let me come back here, refresh the page once. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. So now let me copy the URL and open it in a private window or incognito mode, because I have to check this login register option is working or not. Yes, everything is coming perfectly. Now let me come back to the course page. Let me open a course. So let me add it in a cart. So as you can see, login option is coming. So it's perfect. Everything is working perfectly. So now let me design the footer. So come back to my dummy website. So that is my footer. Okay. So for designing the footer, just hover on the EduBlink, and here you can see the footers. Click on that. And from here I have to click in the add new footer option, and the footer name I am giving as my footer. Click in the publish option. After that I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So next click in the plus option, and here I am taking flexbox, single row, 2 column. Next let me click in this, come back to the style option, and the background will be dark ash color. Next I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 50, and padding bottom also I am taking around 20. After that click in this and just drag and drop a container here. Now click in this, so make it percentage and let me make it 60. Right click, click in the duplicate, and let's make it 40. I have to unlock the gap. Even for this one also, orientation I have to change, and I have to unlock the gap. Next click in this, and here first of all I have to add the image. Drag and drop the image here, click in this, and from the media library I am taking my logo. Click in the select option, and here link, that will be custom URL, and from here just copy the homepage URL and you have to paste it here. After that again click in the plus option. So I need this text, so drag and drop the text editor downside like that. So I need this. Come back to the style option, and if you want to change the font size you can do that. And next I have to change the color also. This white color is perfect. One thing I forgot actually, click in this image, and here come back to the style option. Alignment I have to make it left. Now come back to the advanced option. Let me give some bottom margin around 30 pixel. So after that I need another text editor, so just drag and drop it here downside, and here I need this information. Okay, so let's come back here and paste it here. And here for the mobile number you have to select your number. After that you have to give the link. I mean, for linking you have to use this option, and after that you have to write tail clone, and after that your phone number. Like in my case the number will be +91 7842460057. Tail clone and number, and after that you have to click in the apply. Similarly for the email ID also, suppose that is my email ID, so you have to select that, and after that click in this, and here you have to write mail to clone and your email ID. Hope you understand. Next you have to come back to the style option, and from here you can see the text color, just make it white, and link color also I have to make it white. So after that I have to click in this plus option, drag and drop a container. Now here I need a heading, drag and drop the heading, and my heading will be online platform. Let's make it H4. Come back to the style option, let's make it white color. After that click in this, let me search for the footer menu. So here you can see the footer menu, so just drag and drop it downside of the header like that, and from here I am choosing footer menu 1. Come back to the style option, color, I have to make it white color, and hover color, let's keep this one only. So next, for this one also, so drag and drop a container, and the width I am taking around 30. Column orientation will be downside. Again, right click, click in the duplicate, and for this one, let's make it 70. Now I have to click in this one, orientation I have to change, and gap should be 0. Even for this one also, gap will be 0. Even for this one also, gap will be 0. Okay. Next, for this one, just copy and paste. So here the text will be links. As you can see here, links is there. Now just right click, click in the copy, just downside, paste it. Now from here choose footer menu 2. Okay. So after that I have to click in this plus option. Before that, make sure the orientation will be a column vertical. Okay. So click in this. Let me search for the heading. So here you can see the heading. Drag and drop it. My main heading will be this. So in heading I have to write contact. Pre-heading not required. This also not required. Make it H4, and after that subheading will be this one. So here I have to enter the subheading. After that, come back to the style option. For the heading, make it 20 pixel. After that, color, that will be white color. For the subheading also, color will be white color. So after that, there is a Mailchimp form. So for that, what I have to do, open a new tab and search for the Mailchimp. Open that, click in the login if you have an account. If you don't have account, then you have to create that. So I have, let me enter my email ID and password. So after that I have to click in the login. So that is my Mailchimp dashboard. So from here, let me search for the API. So here you can see the API keys. Click on that. From here, hover on the extra and click in the API. Now that is my API key. Okay. If you don't have API key, then you have to create. Quite easy. You have to just click in the create key option. API key name, WebSeo Tips 1. You can give any name, generate, and after that just copy the key. Now you have to come back to the dashboard and open the theme option. If you come to the general setting, here you can see Mailchimp API key. You have to write that, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Once done, let's come back here. Let me click in the publish and refresh the page once, because I just entered the API key, so it have to be updated. Now just search for the Mailchimp. So here I can see the Mailchimp. Just drag and drop it downside like that. So from here Mailchimp list, I have to select WebSeo Tips. So when WebSeo Tips come, so you are 100% sure that API is working. Next, from here everything I am keeping as it is. Bottom arrow, click in this, come back to the EduBlink icon, and from here suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert. Next, directly come back to the style option. From here, background color, let's make it white. Spacing, let me make it 5. After that, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Top margin I am taking around 30, bottom I am taking around 20. Now let me make some changes for the button also. So submit button, first of all unlock the padding. The right padding I am taking around 10 pixel, and left padding also I am taking around 10 pixel. So after that, I need this social icon also. So come back here, search for the social. So here you can see the EduBlink social link or social icon. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Next, for the Facebook, click in this. Click in the EduBlink icon. Scroll down, choose the Facebook icon, click in the insert, and here you have to enter the Facebook link. After that, for the Twitter, click in this EduBlink icon. Scroll down and choosing the Twitter icon, click in the insert. You have to enter the Twitter link here. And for the Instagram also, click in this EduBlink icon. I'm choosing the Instagram icon and click in the insert. And after that, LinkedIn not required, okay. And here you have to enter the Instagram link also. So after that, click in this and click in the flex box. I'm taking this one. Click in this one and search for the copyright. So here you can see the copyright. Just drag and drop it here. So that will be my copyright text. Come back to the style option. Let's do one thing, make it center aligned. Next, click in this, and for this container the background color will be pure black color. Let me do one thing, for this copyright, the text color, let me make it white color. Let me publish. So after that, let me come back to the tablet preview. So for the tablet preview, first of all, click in the outer container, make it column vertical. Next, you have to choose this container and I have to make it %, and here I have to make it 100. And for the second container also, I have to make it 100% width. After that, let me check the mobile preview also. So as you can see in the mobile preview also, everything is working perfectly. Let me publish, and after publishing, click in this and click in the exit to WordPress. Now from here, hover on the EduBlink, click in the theme option, and from here you have to click in the footer setting, and from here you have to choose my footer. After that, you have to click in the save changes. So let me check my footer is coming or not. Scroll down. Okay, my footer is coming perfectly. But one thing you can observe, my logo is not coming properly. So for that, I have to come back to the dashboard, scroll down, hover on the API items, and after that, here you can see the customization. Click on that. Now from here, I have to click in this site identity, and here you can see the logo. Click on that, and from the media library, I am taking this image. Click in the select. Let me select the entire image. Click in the skip cropping. And after that, I need the site icon also, I mean the fab icon, okay. So that is my fab icon. Just drag and drop it here. Click in the select. After that, click in the skip cropping. So now you can see my logo is displaying properly. Even the fab icon is also coming properly. Let me click in the publish option. Even here also, let me refresh the page once. So as you can see, my logo is coming properly. Even the fab icon is working properly here. So now let me open the website in a new web browser. So copy the URL from here and after paste it and open the website. So now let me click in the login or register option. So let me click in the sign up option. So username I am giving as kumkum07. Email ID I'm giving as kumkum@gmail.com. Next, the password I'm giving as admin. So next, let me click in the sign up option. So now let me come back to the course page. Now let me open a course. So that is a paid course. So let me click in the add to cart. So as you can see, this code already added in the cart. Let me click in the view cart. So as you can see, this product already added in the cart page. Let me click in the process to check out. So as you can see, cart page and checkout page both is working perfectly. And how to create the order and how as the admin you can process the order, I already teach you in the starting of the video. So I'm not doing again. So now let me open the dashboard. If I click on the dashboard, this kind of professional looking dashboard will open. So from there, let me click in the settings option. So here, if you want to add any profile photo or any cover photo, you can do that. Let me do that. First of all, I am adding the profile photo. Click in this, click in the upload photo. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the open. Now if you want to upload the cover photo, you can do that also. Click in that, and suppose I am taking this image, click in the open. After that, let me enter the first name and last name, and the last name will be thus. And here you can write your skill or occupation, and you can choose the time zone also. If you want to write something in bio, you can do that also. Let me write the bio here. After the display name, if you want to change, you can do that also. After that, you have to click in the update profile. So in this way, you can complete your profile also. And here you can see your order history, quiz history, enroll course, everything you can access from here. Okay. And if you want to enter your social media profile links, always you can do that. So for that, you have to click in the social profile, and after that, here you have to enter your social media links. Even you can change your password also. So for that, you have to click in the password option, and from here you can write your current password, new password, and retype that new password. So in this way, you can reset your password also. So now let me teach you how a student can become an instructor. So for that, here you can see become an instructor option is available here. Suppose you log in this website as a student and enroll some courses, and after that you think that you also want to upload your courses in this website, then you have to click in this become an instructor. So this page will open. Do you want to start your career as an instructor? If yes, then click in the apply now. So now let me come back to the admin window, because as a admin you have to approve for being an instructor. Okay, so hover on the Tutor LMS, and after that you have to click in the instructor option. So now here you can see this Kumkum Das and Tata showing pending. Okay, so from here click this, and if you want to approve, then you have to choose approve, and if you don't want to approve, then you have to choose the block. Okay, so here I'm clicking on the approve option. So now if you come to this window, now if you come back to the dashboard, here you can see now you are instructor. Okay, and your profile also almost completed, and here you can see the set withdrawal method is coming. So by clicking here, you can choose two options, bank transfer and PayPal withdrawal. Suppose I'm choosing PayPal withdrawal, and here you have to enter the PayPal ID, and after that you have to click in the save withdrawal account. So now as an instructor, if you want to upload a new courses, you have to click in this new courses option. So after that, this window will open. So here first of all you have to enter the course title, next you have to enter the course description, and you have to add the feature image by clicking here. Let me take this image, click in the select. Now from here you can choose the course category, and after that here you can choose free course or paid course. Next, if you want to give the tag, you can add the tag also. If you want to enable the Q&A, always you can do that. Enrollment, suppose maximum 500 students can enroll the course. So after that you can click in the next option, and here you can upload topic and lesson. Click in the add topic. The topic name I am giving introduction. Click in the OK, and after that I have to add the lesson. Click in the add lesson option. So that will be the lesson title. After that, and that is the content. Click in the save option. So you already know how to create the courses. So I am not going to again explain about that. Just click on the next option. So after that, what you will learn. So that will be the first point, that is the second point. Come back to the next line, that is the third point. Next, targeted audience, If you have any targeted audience, you can always enter that. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Okay, just click in the submit option. Course submitted for review. As an instructor, you already upload the course. Okay, now let's come back to the admin panel. So that is the admin panel. Now if I click in the course option, so here you can see one course already created by the instructor and it is pending for the review. Okay, after inspecting, if you think you have to publish this course, if you allow, then just click in this and after that you have to choose publish. Okay, and if you don't want to publish the course, you can make it private or trust. Okay, so let me publish it. So this course already published. Okay, so now let me come back to the instructor dashboard. So click in the back to the course. So now let me click in the visit site. After that, let me click in the dashboard. So here you can see total course 1 is displaying. If you click in the my course, then here also you can see your course what you create. And if you come back to the course page, here also you can see these courses. Okay, so hope you understand the concept. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. If you subscribe me, then that motivate me to create this kind of professional content. Thank you. Have a nice day.